Okay, ma'am or sir, I couldn't understand the concept of functions properly. Okay, can you explain me, please? Okay, Sri, did you watch yesterday's lecture?
Yes, sir. I watched the lecture, but I couldn't get properly, sir.
Okay, what is the doubt?
Sir, I have doubts in those activity questions.
Okay, so what is the issue? You are not able to understand the concept, or you have you have issue with the activity questions?
Yes, sir. I have problem with activity questions.
Okay, so you have problem with the activity question, but doubts like concept. Please
Sir,
mute.
I can understand the concept, but I couldn't answer it properly, sir, with activity questions.
Okay, okay, I have muted all currently. So if you have some specific doubt, use chat box for now. Okay, so Sri, could you please tell me what is the exact doubt that you have?
Sir, I have doubt in activity questions, sir.
Okay, could you please send that question in chat box? Just take an screenshot and upload it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is for week 1. This is
Yes,
for week 1. Solve with a session. Okay.
yes, sir.
Samriddha, are you there? Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you able to share your screen? Please check once.
Yes, Arpita.
Okay. Okay. So the due date for week 1 assignment is tomorrow. Yes. 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 Sir, today is problem solving class. Yes. 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 Today is problem solving class. Okay.
Sir, I had one
Yes.
doubt regarding yesterday's class. I couldn't ask
Okay.
yesterday.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Sir, the question is when we write A minus B in
Hmm.
then
When we write.
when we write when let's say there is a set A and set B, then when we are writing the values of when we are finding the value of A minus B, we are basically trying to eliminate whatever or we are trying to eliminate whatever is common and we are trying to write whatever is in the A set, right?
Yes.
So we don't require whatever is left out in set B.
Yep. It's like suppose you have a set A like this. Suppose you have like this 1, 2, 3, 4, and another set B is like this 4, 6, 8. Okay. So it means what? What you need? You need to take only the element of A such that that element should not be inside the B.
X should not
Set
belong
B.
to B. Okay.
Yeah. So what are the element will be there in that case? See, just
1 and
take one. Just take one. Then see, one is there or not in V. So one is not there, so we will take one. Now take two. Then see, two is there in B or not. So here two is there, so we will not take two. So two will be eliminated. Now take three. Then see, three is inside B or not. Okay. So here three is not there. So what we will do? We will take three here. Now see four. Four is there. So we will eliminate four. So this will be my A minus B set. Okay. Now fine.
Yes.
Okay, so let me give you a brief idea about today's session. So basically this session is known as solve with a session, and in that session what we will do, we will give you some sort of question, and according to the question we will give you some time, and in that particular time you have to solve the question, and you have to write your answer on chat box. Okay. So the question will be most of the time it may be true and false kind of questions, or maybe some objective question, like a multiple choice question, MSQ kind of question is there, and most of the questions are from NAT portion. NAT means numerical answer type of question. Okay. So I will show you the question here, and then ask you for the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And whatever doubt you have for this week, we will take in the last of the class. Okay. Sir,
Okay.
sir, is it necessary to learn anything else apart from the video? Like, should we have to? No need. No need, Srividya. You can directly go with the content, whatever you have provided by the institute. Okay, doubt you just ask in the end of the class. So what we will do in this class, probably first two question will be taken by me, and after that, Samriddha will continue the class. Okay. Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Samriddha is here. Samriddha, could you please unmute yourself and then say hi?
Hello everyone.
Okay.
Hello,
So this is Samriddha Das, one of your Math 1 instructor. Okay. So before okay. So shall we start now? Sir,
Yes.
will we get the recordings of this live lecture? Yes. Recordings are there in YouTube. I think in last class I have shown you right how we can get the recordings from YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you just go and you can find that recording. Okay. So I'll show you the first question. Just give me a minute.
So tomorrow class is going very good, sir.
Sorry,
What is for?
I'm not able to hear you. What did you say? Okay, so this is your first question, or you have time for 3 minutes. So basically, your first question is saying below the list of real numbers. So here you have some list of real number. Okay. So in that real number, you have to find whether these real numbers are irrational number or not. So just let me know for 2 raised to the power of 1 by 3. You have 1 minute for that. Okay. After 1 minute only you. Sorry.
Where we should write the answer?
In chat box only. Yeah, you are not allowed to unmute yourself. Okay, you have to just write your answer on chat box only. Okay, and like after 1 minute only you are allowed to write. It's not like you got the answer and you are writing before 1 minute. Okay, there is no such code. You have a link. Just click the link and join. Yeah, time is started. By 8:11 I'll ask about this 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. What is this 4?
In total, there are 4 rational numbers in the given list.
Okay. Tell me, this 2 raised to the power of 1 by 3 is a rational or irrational?
It's rational.
Okay. If you are saying it is
Do
a
we need to,
irrational,
sir, join this joinpd.com, sir?
no. Just join with. Just join the Zoom link only. You don't need to go with that. Okay. So if you are saying this is a irrational number, then write Y. If you are saying this is not irrational number, then write N. Okay. Okay, who are saying it's who are writing N? Could you please let me know why it's not irrational? Sorry, why it's not irrational number? Why it's rational number? Ujjwal? Who all are writing N? Could you please let me know why it's not irrational? Okay. Okay, who are writing yes? Why it's a irrational number?
Sir,
Because
it
it's
has a
Because
fraction
its power is in 1/3, it cannot be termed.
Sir, we can't prove.
okay. So basically, what happens here is okay. So this is an irrational number. Why it's an irrational number? So what is rational number for that? We have to know about rational number. So any real number x is said to be rational number when this x can be written as in the form of p by q, right? Where q is not equal to 0 and your p and q are coming from your set of integer, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But in that case, what we have our x as cubic root of 2, right? Here we cannot
Yes,
write
sir.
it as in the form of p by q, right? Now someone
Yes,
will
sir.
say, sir, we can write it as 2 raised to the power 1 by q by 1. So here this will become my p, this will become my q. Is it? No, right? Because here p and q has to be inside this z. And as we know, this 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 is not a integer, right? So this is an incorrect argument. Okay. So who
Yes, sir.
are writing it's a rational number. So did you understand why it's not a rational number? Why it's an irrational number? Okay. Okay. What about the next one?
Rational number, sir.
Rational number. Why?
Rational.
Rational number.
So the product terms have to be rational.
So we can solve it out to
Okay. So how we will do this one? So these
by
see,
multiplying.
as you can see,
Yes,
this
By
example,
solving this,
just mute yourself.
So we can
So
write root 8 as 2 root 2,
okay.
and then root 2 minus 1 and root 2 plus 1 will be multiplied, and there will be 4 minus 1 and then 3, then 4 is 12, and it's like written as 12.
Exactly. Correct. So this is an rational number. Okay. Okay. Before going with this question, did you seen this 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 question somewhere? If you
In the graded assignment.
okay,
Yes, sir.
so if you are attending this session, it will help you to solve your graded assignment as well. Okay. So you will
Yes,
get
sir.
a similar
Yes.
question. You will get similar question. So how we can do? So root 8 can be written as root 8 can be written as 4 into 2, right? So this is basically what? 2 root 2. So just put the
Yes, sir.
value of here. So it will be what? 2 root 2 plus root 2. And here 2 root 2 minus root 2. Correct? So this is what?
Yes, sir.
This is 3 root 2 multiply with 1 root 2. Correct? So this is what? 3 into 2 root 2 is 2. So it is 6 basically. Not 16, 6. Okay. So 6 is what? This is a rational number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why? Because we can write it as 651, where 6 and 1 both are integers.
Integers. Yes.
Okay. Okay. What about this? 4.879523. 30-second you have.
Irrational, sir.
rational, sir, rational.
Rational.
Sir, it is
Same
rational,
method.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It is rational.
Okay.
Purely rational.
Don't. Okay. What I'm saying is don't mess up on the like. Okay. I'm limiting. Okay. Now use the chat box only. Same thing. If you are saying it's a rational number, write n. If you are saying it's irrational number, write y. Okay. And I'm able to see some of you are saying it's a irrational number. Okay. Why it's irrational? Why it's irrational? It cannot represented in the form of p by q. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have this number 4.879523. Okay, So we can write it as like this, right? If we will multiply, how many zeros, okay. If we will multiply by this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We can do this thing, right? Right? Say something. Right? Okay. So if we will multiply this, if we will multiply by this number, we can do this kind of thing. So if we will multiply this number to this number, what we will get? We will get 4879523 upon what? This 3 times, right? 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 Say something. So this is what? This will become your P and this will become your Q. Correct? So here, as you can see, the numerator term is also an integer number. Denominator term is also an integer number. So it's an rational number. Okay, understood? Yes, that because you guys are shouting too much. Okay, that's why you just use chat box. If the doubt is very necessary, just raise your hand. I will allow to unmute yourself. Okay, but not in between the whenever I will solve in like in between the class. Not in like if I am explaining something, not in between that. Okay, bhai. What about this root 2 by root 3? Same thing. If it is a rational, write n. If it is irrational, write y. Most of the people are saying n. Why? Okay, so it's a irrational number. Why? Because we cannot manipulate this thing. Okay, someone will say, sir, can we multiply root 2 by root 2 here? Yeah, you can. But after doing this, what you will get? You will get this number. And here, as you can see, denominator will say, yeah, I am a rational number. So how will you become a rational number? No, right? So it cannot be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are coming from integer. Correct? So this is an irrational number. Okay. Okay. So what about this one? Root 8 minus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. I'm getting answer very quickly. Some are saying it's rational, some are saying it's irrational. Okay, let's see. Same thing, we can write root 8 y. How we will write? We can write it as like this: 2 root 2. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 minus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. Here, as you can see, we can take 2 as common. So what we will get? Root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. Correct? This will be cancelled out. What we will get? 2. And here we can say 2 can be written as 2 by 1. This will become my P. This will become my Q. Right? So it's an rational number. Okay. What about the last one? Root 48 divided by root 27. What about this one? Just think for some time. Okay. Then only answer. So what we have? We have minus 48 divided by 27. Okay. Let's see what we can write root 48. What we can write? 16 multiply with 3. Right? 16 3s are 48, right? Right? Okay, so this can be written as 4 root 3 because 16 is a square root square of 4. So we can write it as like this. Okay, what about 27? 27 can be written as 9 multiplied with 3. So this can be written as 3 root 3. Okay, so what it will be? It will be basically minus times 4 root 3 divided by 3 root 3. Correct? Root 3 will be cancelled out. So what we will get? We will get minus 4 by 3. So it will become a rational number. Okay? Easy? Easy, right? Now, if you have some doubt, please unmute yourself and then ask.
रूट 8 माइनस रूट 2 वाला फिर से बताना.
This one. So what we have done here? So basically what we can write? We can write root 8 as 2 root 2, right? Correct? Say something. We can write root 8 as 2 root 2, right? How we can write?
Yes,
We can
sir.
write it as 4 multiplied by 2.
Right.
And 4 is what? Square of 2, right?
2.
So it will become
Yes.
what? 2 root 2. So now put
Yes.
here. What we have expression root 8 minus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1, right? So it can be written as 2 root 2 minus 2 divided by root 2 minus 1, correct? So this will be what? If we will take 2 as common from the numerator, what we will get? We will get 2 multiplied with root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. As you can see, numerator and denominator are containing same term, so we can cancel it out. So what we will
Yes,
get? We
sir.
will get only
Right.
2. So it can be written as 2 by 1. Basically, this is what? This is my P and this is my Q. And
Yes,
both
sir.
are integers. So this is an rational number. Anything else apart from this?
Sir, can you
Sir.
explain the first one?
The first one, this 2 raised to the power 1 by cube. What we can do here? This expression we have. So what are the manipulation that we can do? So someone will say, sir, you can multiply with this 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 by 3. So it will become 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 by 3. But whatever you can do, you will get some expression which are irrational number, right? Either it will either it will be on your numerator or it will be on your denominator, right? So you are not able to manipulate this number in the form of this P by Q, correct? Correct?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. There is one more,
Yes, sir.
one more way known as contradiction, but we are not going with that. If you have proved this one, root 2 is an irrational number. So what we will we have done in this, we will let us know this is an rational number. So if this is an rational number, it can be written as P by Q. And after like assuming this concept, we will get some we will get some contradiction kind of thing in that case, right? So from there we have shown that root 2 is an irrational number. So we are not going with that. Okay. Currently we are not going with that. Okay.
Sir?
So all are clear right now? Yes.
So under root 6 plus under root 3 divided
Hello.
by under root 6 minus under root 3 is a irrational number?
Could you please say once again?
Okay,
Root
under
6,
root 6 plus root 3
root 3.
divided by root 6 minus root 3.
Okay. So for that you need to do some calculation. So as you can see, you can take a root 3 as common. So what you will get? Root 3 multiply with root 2 plus 1 divided by root 3 multiply with root 2 minus 1, right? So this will be cancel out. Now what you have? You have this term. So if you want to do rationalization, what you will get? In the numerator term, you will always get rational value. Oh, sorry, irrational value. So it will become basically root 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2 minus 1. So this is basically root 2 plus 1 whole square. So this is not an irrational, sorry, not an rational number. So this is irrational number. Irrational.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, so if we want to say that a number is rational, then
Mhm.
P and Q both should be rational.
both should be integer.
Okay, sir. Rational. Oh, sorry. Integer. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain like
Excuse
second
me,
option one more time?
if we have 1.2 upon 1.3, then also we can say that this is rational because by removing both decimals,
Sorry.
if in the numerator we have 1.2 and in the denominator we have 1.5, then we can just cut out the decimal and that will be also
Just a
are
minute. Just
not
a minute.
integer.
Let me erase first.
Okay, sir.
I don't know how it's writing on. Let me erase first. This kind of question you may get on practice assignment, right, or activity questions. Correct? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in both it was there to identify
Yes,
irrational
sir.
numbers.
Okay. Just a minute.
Sir, irrational numbers are those which are non-terminating and recurring. Is that correct?
Non-terminating and recurring.
Yes, sir.
Like you are saying something like this 3.333345
Yes, sir.
like
Yes.
this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
That you can say. That you can say in way if we are not getting any kind of pattern in this. Yes. So what was your doubt? Someone was asking something. What was your doubt? Hello. I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What was your doubt?
Sir, the main after solving after resolving all the things, we should get integer both p and q.
Yes. If you are getting this form, so P and Q
Yes.
has to be inside Z. It's not
Okay,
like
sir.
you are saying √3 by √2, just like this. This is not an integer number. Rational number is what basically? If X is a rational number, so it can be represented in the form of P by Q, where Q is not
Yes,
equal to
sir.
0 and P and Q both are integer. That's it. If you are able to if you are able to manipulate your real number in the form of this, then it's a rational number. If you are not able to do this kind of thing, then it's not a rational number. Simple.
Yes, sir.
No rocket science is here. Simple things. So here you have solution for this. Okay, so we are not going with that because we have already done all the solution. Okay. Okay, so so before displaying the second one, we have some concept which known as complement of a set. I think everyone is know what is complement of a set, right? So before going with this complement of a set, let us discuss with this set difference. In the beginning of the class, I have explained this one, right? What is set difference basically? So we need to take X from my A such that this X should not be inside this B, correct? So basically, if we will see in Venn diagram, so suppose this is my bigger box and this is my set A and this is my set B. This is my set A, this is my B. So what is set difference basically? Okay, what is set difference basically? This what we are doing, we are not taking a part of A which are also a part of B as well. So we will take only this one. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more thing. I am giving you another Venn diagram for that. Now, this is my A, this is my B. In that case, what will be my A difference B?
Everything except B.
Whole A.
Null.
Every A, right?
I
Overall A. Because there is no such intersection. Right? If we have intersection, so we will exclude that intersection part and then only we will include the remaining part of A only, right? We don't need the intersection part. So here we don't have any kind of intersection. So this will become my A only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Giving you another example. in Venn diagram itself. Okay, this is my A, this is my B. Okay, let's take a different one. Okay. Inner one is A, outer one is B. What about my A difference B in that case?
It is 5.
It is
5,
5.
sir.
Why? Because A is a subset of B.
B.
So when we will say A intersection, this will become my A only, right? So what you are doing basically, you need to remove the intersection part, right? In that case, right? This intersection part from A, we have to remove. Here we can see the intersection part is A itself, right? Why? Because here A is a subset of B. It means what? All the X which are inside A, they are also inside B as well, right? So we have to exclude all the X which are inside A. So what you will get in that case? You will get empty set. Did sir already discuss the injection and surjection topic? Yes, yesterday, yes, in yesterday's class, we have discussed this one, injection and surjection. Just go and see. Okay, so this is my set difference. Okay, what about the complement in that case? Suppose you have one universal set. This is your universal set, say U, and this is your A. So what is my A complement? This is basically U difference A. Correct? It means we need to see only this part except A. Okay, so for example, if you have U is equal to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and A is what? A is basically 1, 2, 3. So what will be my A complement in that case?
4, 5,
5,
6.
6.
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6. 4, 5, 6. Correct? Because what is A complement basically here? A complement is U difference A. Correct? And this is what? This is basically we need to consider a element of U if they are not inside A. Correct? So we have to let 1, 2, 3, and then we have to take only 4, 5, 6. Understood? So this thing we have already discussed. So this is set difference here. Normal definition is there. Do I need to explain this union and intersection part as well?
No, sir.
No,
We have
sir.
discussed
No,
this
sir.
thing in a very deeply, right? In Friday's class. If someone does not have seen that class, just go and watch. I don't think so. This is unnecessary to explain. Union and intersection, which is easy. And this formula, just take it out. Just see, look at this
Hello,
formula.
sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
From where we find your video, previous video?
Previous video is there on YouTube.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So wherever you are getting this link, now there are one option is also there. YT link. Okay, name as YT link. Just click that link. You will find the lecture. Okay. In your calendar, whenever you will open the Zoom link, just below that Zoom link, there is one option which is known as YT link. Okay.
Sir. Okay.
Just go and then click. You will get. Go to live. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You can. Okay. So just go through with this formulas as well. These are very important. If you want, you can take an screenshot of this formula. I will wait for 2 minutes. No, it is irrational because. Okay, just take an screenshot. Done? Everyone? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's move. Okay, so this is the question. Now for that, you have 2 minutes. Okay, don't copy, and before 2 minutes, you are not able to write. After 2 minutes only write. Okay, it's 8:37 now. I will ask in 8:39. Okay. What is question basically? Suppose M, S, and C are three sets. Okay, we have three sets M, S, and C, and the cardinalities of each region in the Venn diagram is shown below. So we have this Venn diagram, and according to this Venn diagram, we have the cardinality. You are not allowed to write answer currently. You can write after 839 only. So you need to find the cardinality of M difference C. Okay, please don't write your answer current right now. So if you are feeling difficulty with the Venn diagram, this kind of question will help you for that. Okay. Yeah, I will explain this question. Don't worry. $50. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Maybe 50. You are not sure. Okay, let's. What we need to find? We need to find the cardinality of M difference C, right? What is my M? Okay, let's use different color. So, okay. So this is my M, right? This is my M. Okay. What is my C? This is my C. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate M difference C, right? It means that we need to calculate the region which are okay, let's use different color. Okay, so we need to calculate the region which is, this one is visible, right? This yellow one. Okay, let's use green one. Okay, let's use black. Okay, so basically we need to calculate the region which are not inside C, right? So what is the intersection of what is the intersection? This intersection, M intersection C, this one, right? This region is the intersection part. This black is one. Correct? M intersection C. 70, 50. Okay, let's see. So this is the intersection. What we need? We don't need the intersection part inside M, right? This is what we need. We need M difference C. It means that we don't need the element of C. Correct? Correct? What is M difference C basically? We are collecting all the element of M which are not inside my C, right? Right? It means that we don't need the element of C. It means that we don't need this one. We don't need this one. This whole thing we don't need. What we need only, we need this one. This one. Okay. We know it only this reason. Correct? Here you can see. We need only this reason. Got the idea? So in this reason, how many elements are there? 10 plus 40, which is what? 50. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Please explain
No,
again.
sir.
No doubt.
Easy, right? Easy?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in
Easy.
that
Yes,
question
sir.
also, if I will say what is the cardinality of S difference C, then
Sir, please explain again.
60.
60.
okay, what I am saying, what we need the cardinality of M difference C, right? Right? We need the cardinality of M difference C. What is M difference C basically? We are collecting all the elements from M such that this X could not be inside my C. Should not be inside C. Correct? This is what similarly S difference C is what? We are collecting all the elements from S which are not inside C. Okay, so one by one we will check. So for M difference C, what we need, we have to remove this part, right? Right, but there is no such instruction, like there is no such. Okay, so we need to remove this part. So and there is no such restriction with this S, right? So what we need to calculate basically this one, right? This whole part.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So in the first part, how many elements? 10, and here we have 40. So overall for M difference C, how many elements are there? 10 plus 40, which is 50. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Similarly, if we will see in this case as difference C, so what we need to remove? We need to remove against this C part, and what we need to calculate? We need to calculate this one.
Yes.
This whole thing we need to calculate, right? And let me highlight this. This whole thing we need to calculate. Correct? So how many elements are there? 40 plus 40 plus 20. So overall 60. Okay. Similarly, if I will ask how many elements are there in C difference M, then how many elements are there?
90.
Now are you able to see how we are calculating?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Easy. Okay. One more, one another way that you have this formula. You can use this formula as well. Okay. You can use this formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
This is your homework for now. Okay. Any doubt?
So, but the answer is coming
No
6.
doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Answer is coming 60.
something.
Yes.
So when we write the formula,
Yes, sir.
upwards, when we write
Okay.
n of m, that means we take the total m, right?
Here,
Yeah,
yes.
so- Yeah. When we take n of a, that means we take the total set, right?
Yes.
Alright.
So what is your formula basically? Number of A difference B plus number of A intersection B is equals to number of A. Number of element in A, right? This is your formula. Here, in that case, what is your A? M. What is your B? C. Correct? So in that case, what will become my formula? M difference C plus number of element in M intersection C is equals to number of element in M. Right? This is what we have. What we need? We need number of element M in M difference C. So this is basically what? Number of element inside M minus number of element which are inside M intersection C. Now let me know how many elements are there in M. 10 plus 40 plus 50 plus 70. 10 plus 40 plus 50 plus 70.
170.
Correct? So how many elements? 10 plus 40 plus 50 plus 70. Okay. Now, how many elements are there inside M intersection C? So this is your M intersection C. So how many elements? 70 plus 50, right? So you need to subtract this one. 70 plus 50. If you will subtract this one, so how many elements you will get? You will get 10 plus 40 is equals to 50. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can use formula as well. Okay. Or by observation, you can see by Venn diagram. Okay, here one more question you have, and you have 2 minutes for that. Currently, time is 8:47. Okay, I'll ask by 8:49. 2 minutes is more time, more than enough. PD code, what is PD code? Peer deck, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
No. We are not taking the session on peer deck. Okay, it's just general session. Okay, that peer deck section is only for, I guess, statistics. Actually, I am not comfortable with that peer deck website. That's why I am not taking it there. After all, the motive is to learn something, right? No matter which platform you are using. Sir, can you please share the PDF? Yes, I will share in last class. In end of the class, I will share. Okay. Sir, can I ask you any doubt? Yes. What's your doubt? It's 8:48 only. Why you are writing the answer? Updated the live session link. It's already updated, no? You are saying sorry. Okay, now it's time. Okay. So most of other guys are saying 150. Okay, some are getting 110, 150, 110, then 2110 also. Okay. $130 also. Any other numerical value is remaining, or you will say that one as well? 50. Nice. Infinity. Oh. Okay, how many are getting this 150? Okay, let's see. Let's see which one is correct. Majority. Okay, let's go with the majority. Okay, so what we need to find, what is my same thing is there, M, S, C are the sets and their respective cardinality is given on the question. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to find the cardinality of the set M union C intersection S. So firstly, we need to find the M union C. So what is our M union C? This is my M, whole M. Okay, this is my whole C. Correct. So M union C will be what? M union C will be this whole region. This whole highlighted region, correct? Yes. This whole region will be my M union C. Now what we need to do? We need to take the intersection with S. So this is my S. Okay. Okay. So this is my S. What we need to do? We need to take this whole yellow highlighted part, the intersection of whole yellow highlighted part with this S, right? With this S. This is my S. Okay, this is my S. Now, you know the boundaries of M union C. You know the boundaries of S. Are you able to see the highlighted part? Are you able to see the intersection part? Which one is the intersection part?
It's 40
this
plus
green,
15.
this one, right?
40 plus 50 plus 60. It come out to be 150.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
This one only.
Yes, sir.
Easy. So how
Yes,
many
sir.
elements will be there? 40 plus 50 plus 60, which is 150. Easy. Any doubt?
Easy, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now
Yeah.
can you say yes, Venn diagram will become easy for me, or at least I can fight if I will get some question from Venn diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So after that, Samriddha will take the session. Samriddha, are you here? Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. You just continue with the session. I will be there in the session. If you have some doubt, and so you can ask with Samriddha, okay? And if you have some general doubt, you can ask with me as well. I will be there in the session. Okay, Samriddha, you can take.
Hello, everyone. So as Arpit already, yes,
Ma'am, I had one doubt with the same question.
okay, can ask me.
Ma'am, that 20 also adds up to the sum, right? 40 plus 40, 50, 60, and 20. The entire thing will get added up, and that will be the answer, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I guess no one has any doubt right now.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
Ma'am, I have doubt. Okay.
Okay, you can ask. Yeah.
From relation chapter. Oh, God.
Okay, you can ask.
Ma'am, I was doing activity questions and I have a question to find incorrect statements. Can you please?
Yeah, you can like put the screenshot of that question in the comment section. We will see it later.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am. Can I share the folder, ma'am?
If you have any doubt regarding those questions, you can ask right now. If you have doubt anything other than that, better if you can like ask after the session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Arpit, can you see it? Actually, I'm not able to share my screen right now because it's showing that only host can share that.
Okay. I'll tell to Mahesh for that. Okay, just wait for a second.
Yeah.
And then.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask now. Someone has put
Ma'am, I do
some.
have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, let me see.
Ma'am, how to know whether an inequality is a function or not?
Okay, just wait something. Yeah. Let me check it one by one first.
Samriddha, now check.
Can we have the PDF of this session, ma'am?
No, Arpit. Yeah, you can get. No, Arpit. Still, I'm not able to share my screen.
Okay. Just wait for some time.
The PDF can be shared in the chat box. Thank you.
Yeah. Whoever.
Share the PDF.
Okay. Whoever will have some doubt regarding the course or any general doubt, let her finish the slides first, and then only you can ask your doubts. Okay.
After that, you can ask the doubts.
Sir, this is regarding the question that we discussed till now about the Venn diagram part. So, if not with a number, is there a way? Because we are using integers, so we are able to use the formula to solve the thing. But if not a number in that case, like if it's something else, still this formula approach will work.
Yeah. It will work any time for any set. The formula will work.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I'll send in chat.
Ma'am, can I ask a doubt regarding to graded assignment question?
If you have any doubt, just like behind this session, then you can ask it after the session, at the end of the session, okay?
Ma'am, they are from graded assignment. Is it?
Nope. Nope.
Yeah, you can put it in on the chat box.
Okay.
We will discuss all the doubt one by one. Let me just finish the PDF first, okay?
Ma'am, before the deadline, we are
Okay,
allowed
ma'am.
to ask the graded assignment.
No, I
No,
think
ma'am.
no. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I was surprised when you said yes. I was very happy to hear that.
Yes, you said yes right now, so that's why I asked.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
Rajman?
That's why I'm
Yeah, this is
asking.
your weak one. So yeah,
Kindly
you
ask
are
the
not able to ask.
process.
Rajaman,
Yes.
we need to wait for next 24 hours, I think.
Yes, yes. That's why I ask. Is that can I ask a doubt regarding related to graded assignment?
No, if you have any
Ma'am?
doubt regarding the question, if you're not
Ma'am, I
able
have
to
a
understand,
doubt regarding question.
okay,
Miss,
then you
you
can
can give
ask.
some hints or the approach of that one.
Okay, but about answer, you cannot ask right now. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent you the question in chat, directly message.
Excuse me, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in practice assignment. Can I ask?
Right now, you don't ask about the assignments. Just by the end of the session, you can ask all of your doubt regarding the
No,
assignments.
not in graded assignment. I have a doubt in practice assignment.
Yeah. Regarding any assignment, if you have doubt, then you can ask by the end of the session.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubt about the concept you have taught through the week one or in those previous two questions, then you can like ask right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt regarding cardinality.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please explain it? I'm not able to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
the
I'm also
concept
not
of
able
it.
to correct
Cardinality is simply the number of element in some set, nothing more than that.
Samrita, just check now.
Yes,
Ma'am, there was a question in activity assignment regarding cardinality, and I could not figure it out.
Yeah, can you ask it again?
Ma'am, there was a question regarding cardinality in the activity assignment.
Samrita, now check.
No, but still it's not happening.
Yeah, you are co-host now, no?
But still it's showing. Should I join again?
No, I guess if you will join again, just share screen, just put a tab on share screen, and then you will get what are the things you need to share.
Yeah, I told that. But
Okay.
it's again and again showing that only the host can share the meeting.
Join again.
Okay. Could you send me the screenshot now?
Yeah.
Sorry for the delay.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me.
am I audible?
So we will
Yeah,
continue
just
to
a minute.
solve
Just hold on. Let her share the screen, then ask. Don't make kiosk here. Okay. For instance, I am muting all. For assignment type, I told you, no, just make an WhatsApp group. I think some of the student has taken the initiative and they made the group. I think Samrita is facing some difficulty with sharing the slide. Samrita, it's still happening now.
Yes, Arpit, it's not happening. Like I'm not
Did
able
you
to check.
rejoin? Did you rejoin the session?
Yeah, I just rejoined it.
Okay. Then I'll handle the session. We will discuss what is the issue. Okay. Further, we will discuss about that. Okay, I'll continue with the session. You may leave now. Okay. Okay, so let's start. I think ma'am is facing some issues, so I'll start the session. Okay, so we have discussed up to question number 2. Let's move to the third question. No official group is there. Okay, so you have 2 minutes. This kind of question you have seen, right? Okay, just solve it. You have 2 minutes. It's 9:06 now. I'll ask by 9:08. Which one?
Sir, before the 10 minutes, teacher one question, right? The question number 2, the last part.
The last part, this one?
I answer this question.
What was there? What you need to
Yes.
find? You need to find this M union C, right? What is your M union C? This is a blue highlighted part, right? And then you need to see the intersection with S. So if you do the intersection with S, what you will get? You will get this reddish part, this whole thing. So how many elements are there? 40 plus 50 plus 60. So how many total? In total, how many elements you will get? You will get this one, right?
Yes,
in
sir.
total, you will get 150 elements. So this is what it is.
Yes, sir. Now I am clear. Thank you, sir.
Okay. चलो बताओ भाई. Tell me, sir, could you put this relation R1 can be defined as 1, 1? Firstly, find the cardinality. Then we will discuss. 4. Okay, this kind of question is there, right, in graded assignment? Yes, sir.
Yes,
Similar to Dharma.
It is there. Yeah, sometimes it happens. But sometimes I intentionally use some Hindi words so that the session will not get too bored.
Okay, sir.
So session is still interesting in English.
Okay. Yeah, lots of things is happening here right now. Okay, so what is the answer, right?
4 and 5.
Some are getting 4, some are getting 2, some are getting 6. Also knows English well. Okay.
4 and
He
5
also
plus
knows
5,
English
sir.
well. Yes. 4 to 6. Oh, some are getting 7 as well. Wow. Okay, let's discuss. What is the question? Question is saying consider a set S. So please mute yourself.
The chat
Don't
message are
interrupt the class.
blocking the screen. Could you please disable the chat? That is blocking the screen, obstructing me to see the full screen. Thank you.
Just right click on the chat and stop the show chat previews. You won't see the preview.
Okay. Are you able to see this chat box, which is moving? No, right? I can only see this chat box. If you want, you can you can hide your chat box by your side as well. Okay. Okay. So now what is the question? The question is saying, suppose you have a set S. S is defined as like this. You have natural number A. A is coming from N. It means natural number. And A is less than or equal to 10. Okay. So how what are the element will be there in S? What are the element will be there?
0 to 9.
Tell me. What are the element? 1
0
to
to
10 or 0 to 10?
0
0
to
to 10.
0 to 10.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 10. Okay, who are making kiosk here, I will definitely block them. Okay, so don't make kiosk. Whoever are here for study, please let them study. Don't ask any kind of irrelevant question in the chat box. Are you
Sir,
getting my point or not?
Sir, I have uploaded one question. Can you explain that?
Yeah, I'll see. Okay, if I will see any kind of irrelevant message in the chat box, I will definitely block that person. Okay, so do behave like that. After all, you are doing some a course in IITs. So just behave like that. Don't behave like a fool. Okay, let's see. So what will be your S? Your S will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10, right? Okay, so here what now let's see it further. So let R1 and R2 be a relation on S. Okay, so we have relation R1 and R2, which is defined further on S. From S, it means it is defined from S to S. So R1 is saying we are taking pairs such that X and Y belongs to S and Y is equals to 2X, right? So R1 is basically what? This. So Y we can write it as 2X. So it will basically what? X 2X. We can write it as like this, where X is coming from my S. Correct? Say something.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now it will
Yes,
what?
sir.
For X is equals to 0, what it will be? It will be 0, 0. For X is equals to 1, it will be what? 1, 2. For X is equals to 2, it will be what? 2, 4.
4.
For 3,
It
3,
will be
6.
6.
4, 4, 8.
4, 8.
5, 10.
For 5, 5, 10. Okay. For 6, 6, 12. But
No.
do we
Out of
need to
set.
consider 6, 12?
No.
Do we need to
Out of
consider
set.
6, 12? Why?
No.
Because 12 is not inside my S.
Yes.
Right? So we will not take 12 as a member. We will not take this pair in this relation. Okay. So these are the only element that we will get.
Yes, sir.
By this set. Okay. What about my R2? R2 is saying you have to take a pair of XY such that Y is equals to X square and X and Y are coming from S, right? So we can further write it as like this. Okay. Who have unmuted yourself, please mute yourself. Okay. Further, what it will be? For X is equals to 1, it will for X is equals to 0, it will be 0, 0. Then for X is equals to 1, 1 1. For x is equals to 2, 2 4. For 3,
9.
9. Then for 4, 4 16. So 16 is not there in S. So we will not consider. We will stop by 3 9 only. Okay. So we got R1. We got R2. Now what we need to do? We need to do R1 union R2. Correct? Correct. So what we need to do? We need to do R1 union R2. So what are the elements will be there? So we have this R1 and this R2. So how many elements are there? 0 0, then 1 1, then
1
1 2, then
2 4
2 4, then
3 6
3 9.
4 8
Okay, 3 6. Then
3
3
9.
9 is there, right? 3 9 is there.
Yes, sir.
2 4 is then 3 9
4
is
8
there.
4 8 and 5 10.
4 8 and 5 10.
Yes.
Any other element which are left?
No, sir.
No, right? So how many elements are there? Could you please count for me?
8.
It's 8. Okay. Now, what about R1 union R2? Set difference with difference with what? R2, right?
R2.
So what are the elements? So in R1 union R2, this will become my A and R2 will become my B, right? So from A, I need to remove the element which are inside B. Okay. So what is my B? Let me write R2 here. So what is my R2? R2 is 0 0, 1 1, then 2 4, then
3 9.
3 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So we need to remove these elements.
All element except this. Yeah. Yep.
Right. So what we will get basically? We will get
R1.
0 0, 1 1 I am not considering because 0 0 is also there. 0 0 and 1 1 is not there. Okay. 1 2 is there or not? No. So we will consider 1 2.
1 2, sir.
Okay. What about 2 4? Yes, 2 4 is there. So we will not take 2 4. Then what we will get? 3 6. What about 3 9? Yes, 3 9 is there. We will not take 3 9. In this course, we consider 0. Yes. Then 4 8. Then what? What
జీరో
is remaining?
న్యాచురల్ నంబర్ అంటారు వీళ్ళు ఎందుకంటే
Okay. This is the final one.
రాలేదు అసలు అక్కడికి.
Please mute yourself. This is the final one, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So how many elements are there?
4.
4 elements.
4 elements.
4 elements.
4 elements. So what is your correct answer? 4.
4.
So how many? What kind of 4 is correct one? Who have got 2 6 7? How? कैसे भैया?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yes, 0 is the natural number.
Yes. This is the 4th time I am explaining why 0 is natural number for you. What is natural number basically? Counting numbers, right? A number which
Yes,
are
sir.
used for counting is known as natural number, right? What kind of course you are doing? You are doing data science course. BS degree on data science. Okay. In data science, basically you will use Python. And Python start counting from 0. So
Yes,
for
yes.
you, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the natural numbers. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I am saying
Okay,
just
sir.
watch the previous lecture. Most of the doubt will be clear on that lecture only.
Sir, we are getting confused in that one. R1 union R2, then slash that. That is confusing.
R1 union R2 is simple, right? This is your
No,
R1.
slash. That what mean by that slash? Yes.
This is set difference.
To subtract.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is set
Okay.
difference. Whenever you will get that this sign, it means that you have to difference this set. So take R1 union R2 as A and R2 as B.
R2 as B.
Now you need to define this A difference B. Right?
Okay, sir.
It
Okay.
means what?
Now yes.
You need to collect all the element of A which are not inside B. That's it.
Yes, sir.
I think you were not there in yesterday class. The same doubt, same kind of question we have solved in yesterday's class. Sir, 0 is a natural number only in date. If you are
Sir.
studying Python, then 0 will become your natural number for you.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have actually privately messaged you. Someone is trying to misuse the chat, sir. Please look into that.
Okay. Is it?
Yes, sir. I've shared it to all
Could
the
you please
hosts.
send me his name? Who is it?
Yeah, sir. I sent you the screenshot. Could you please look at that?
Okay. Just a minute. What's your name?
The chat, sir.
Sir?
What's your name?
So my name is Sriya. Here the person they have exited, sir, like some moments ago.
Wahid has sent some. Okay, no issue, no issue.
Sir,
No
I'm
issue.
audible.
Yes, you are.
Sir, can you
I'm
teach
not.
me about a cardinality?
Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. I'm not able to see your. I'm not able to see your screenshot. Could you please send me once?
Sir, I have a doubt. Can I share?
Okay, sir.
Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, so who are sending this kind of message? My last warning to that person, please don't do.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, there is an option.
Who is
where-
Divya Sri? Who is Divya Sri? If you will do this kind of thing again, I will definitely block you. Okay, this is the last warning.
Excuse me, sir.
You don't need to join if you have to do this kind of thing. Okay, yes, what is the doubt?
Sir, I suggest that कि मतलब जो messages हैं ना personal messages को off कर दीजिए students के लिए सिर्फ everyone वाला रखिए. Sir, there is an option that we can only the students can send the message to you, not to everyone, sir. There is an option there where you can actually do it in the Zoom.
Close the
Where?
chat box, sir.
Yeah, I'm seeing here participant can chat
Disable
with
chat box.
okay
Yes,
with
that's
everyone.
the
Yeah,
option.
done.
That one.
Sir, is it a doubt sharing session? And
Yes,
also
done.
kindly disable
Yeah,
the
done.
video also. Because I have a doubt in week 2, theorem 10 question.
Okay, just a minute. Let me finish this PDF once and then you can ask. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir,
Okay.
do it fast.
sir, I have a doubt. I have sent you directly.
Now you can send me directly only.
The R1
Just-
and R2 set again. Sir, can
Okay,
you
one
please
more thing.
show me the-
Let me clear one thing. The thing is, if you have some doubt regarding this PDF now, you can ask me now. If you have doubt other than that, just firstly complete this PDF and then you can ask. Okay. Otherwise, I am not able to finish this thing by today's
Sir,
session.
Can you please show me the solution of previous question?
This is the solution,
Sir,
right?
will you share this PDF?
Yeah, I'll share in the last of the class. So firstly, we have calculated R1, then R2, then we calculated R1 union R2, which is this. Okay, then we have calculated R1 union R2 difference with R2.
Sir, in the question of this thing, that is a difference of a. How should I actually treat it, sir?
See, what I have considered A as my R1 union R2 and B as R2. This is my another set. This is my another set. I have the what are the elements inside A. I know what are the elements are inside B. Now I can easily calculate A difference B, which is also same as R1 union R2 difference with R2. Correct? I have set A. What is my set A? This is my set A. I have set B. What is my set B? This is my set B. Now I can easily calculate A difference B.
Sir, but this is
Right?
regarding the question of this problem. Could you please scroll up?
Okay.
There you are talking. Yeah. We have come, I think the previous problem, because the previous problem we have this A, yeah, here only, sir, where set S equal to A difference of A. How should I see it?
Where?
Consider
Set S.
No, sir. Consider a set S is equal to A difference of A. This thing, how should I treat this?
This is such that sign.
No, sir. Here the A bar that you are using here.
This one, no?
Yes, sir.
This is such that sign. It means that you are defining A such that. Oh, you are confused here.
Yes, sir. That's where I got the thing.
This A, this means such that. This is not different. Different sign is little bit tilt. This bar sign, and this is like straight.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, this means such that someone will use A such that this two bar as well. Okay, this means such that. In Hindi you can say we are taking A इस प्रकार से कि A मेरा नेचुरल नंबर भी हो जाए और साथ में A less than or equal to 10 भी हो जाए. Okay, you can say like that.
Thank you.
Now it's clear.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, in some textbooks, they have used colon instead of that slanting line. Does it means the same?
Yeah, they can use different things. Some are the teachers use this one. Some of the books use this one kind of thing, this two dot. Or some of the people use, like in some of the book they will use this straight line.
Is this a condition?
Both. Yeah. It means now you can start the condition.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else apart from this?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's see the fourth one. Okay, so answer is 4. Here you have the solution, well-written solution. Okay, so symmetric property, transitive property, and reflexive property. Do I need to explain? Because this thing we have done in a very deep manner in Friday's class, right?
Just give me brief about that. Just a brief.
When we will solve the question, I will give the brief description of this. Okay. My suggestion is please go and watch all the lectures. What are the lectures are covered currently? Okay, it will help you. Definitely help you because we have covered all those things in a very deep. Yes.
Sir,
This is your question.
in the lecture 8, when the professor has explained about the relations, he has explained the thing known as that equivalence relation partition set, and he's explaining by giving 2 examples, one of a clock and other of remainder modulo 5. There is an issue in that I'm not able to understand.
Yeah, so if you have a set S, so suppose you have a set S, something is there. So if you have some, like if there is some relation which is equivalent, say R is a relation which is equivalence relation, then according to this relation we will get a partition of this set, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll discuss about this. Okay. It's
And sir, about
like
equivalence classes also. There was a different thing.
Yeah. Like this kind of thing is not necessary for this course currently. Currently not necessary. This is just for in general information they have taught you. We'll discuss in end of the class. Will it be fine?
Yes.
Equivalence relation, equivalent class. Actually, this is a very broad topic. It's not like it will be covered in just 5 to 10 minutes. It will take around 1 to 10, like 1 to 2 hours. Okay, this is a very huge topic. It's not like you have just finished it in one line. They just have given just a brief idea about this. Why we are doing this equivalence kind of thing. Basically, by this equivalence relation, if something is an equivalence relation, this relation will do the partition of that particular set. Okay, but you don't know what is partition currently.
Yes.
Okay, so this kind of thing happens. So just leave it for now.
Okay.
Okay, leave it for now. If further it will need, I will explain what is it basically.
Sure.
Most probably partition thing you will be face by week 8 or week 9 something. There will be some partition kind of thing. So I will explain if I will be there. Okay, so this is your question. Okay, solve. in 2 minutes. So you have a relation R which is defined like this. You are taking this is such that sign, okay, not difference. From here you can start the condition on A and B. A and B lives in the same city. Okay. A and B are related if they lives in the same city. So state whether the following statement is or true. R is symmetric or not. Then they will say R is reflexive or not. Sir, can you please tell me that the assignment are to be submitted today by 11:59? Tomorrow by 11:59.
Yeah, you can submit it tomorrow till 11:50.
Tomorrow.
So where we can find the previous sessions that you are?
YouTube. You can go on YouTube.
In YouTube you can find.
Okay, thank you.
Go to IITM BS channel and live.
Okay,
Where
just
we can
be
find those
okay. Just be there with me in last of the class. I will again show you how to get that sessions. Okay.
Sure.
Sir,
Thank
will
you.
the marks be added by doing assignment? Yes. If you are not doing assignment, you are not submitting assignment tomorrow, your marks will be automatically deducted. You will get 0. Why you are waiting for tomorrow's night? Just do it by tomorrow afternoon itself.
But
why
we
you
have
need to?
Sir, there's activity hold marks, activity sessions.
Not activity, just for practice session, practice assignment and graded assignment.
Graded assignment. Only these two type of assignment hold marks, not activity.
Yes, but if you will practice all the activity assignment, then only you can easily solve that graded assignment and practice assignment.
Yes, sir, got it.
Sir, practice assignment is also important.
Yes, all the things are important. If you need to do something, if you want to take command on this kind of topics, so all things are important.
But sir,
activity
does not hold any marks.
Sorry. Yes, activity marks will not be like calculated.
Okay.
But yes,
The practice assignment won't be calculated, right?
No, it will be considered for your bonus mark.
How many correct questions we have to do for qualifier exam?
Qualifier exam, you need to get 40 marks. It depends on how many marks are allotted for the question. Okay, let me know the answer.
Yes, it is a symmetric.
Okay, sometimes what happens is everyone wants to submit their assignment in last day. Na? What happens is the crowd will be that the traffic will be there. Traffic will be happen. Then you won't be able to submit your assignment. So it's better if you will submit by today night, because there are around 24,000 students in this year. So you can see if everyone will submit it by tomorrow only. So how much traffic will be there on site? So be aware of this thing as well. Okay. So what is this basically? Relation is defined as like this. We will take A and B. A and B are person. Okay. If and only if A and B are from the same city, right? Are from the same city. This is my relation. Okay. Let's discuss its reflexivity, transitivity, and symmetricity as well. Okay. So just let me know whether this relation is reflexive or not. What is reflexive relation?
Yes, it is.
When we will say a relation is reflexive, if
when it is
A kind of elements are there in R for all A, right?
Yes.
For all A belongs to S. This kind of thing happen, right? So in that case, what we need to do? A belongs to R. It means what? A are from same city. Suppose Arpit is myself. Okay. So I am from, suppose I am from Jabalpur. Okay. So I can take myself in this set, right? Because Arpit, it's basically Arpit only, no?
Yes.
It will automatically inside my R. Because
Just
I
like
am
1,
from
1.
Jabalpur. Okay. Okay. So it's a reflexive relation, and this can happen for anyone, any. right? Sir, can we? Yes, I will send this PDF. Okay, this I have told this thing by 10,000 times, I guess. I will send definitely. Don't worry. I am getting payments for that only. Okay, this is my kartavya, dharma. Okay, so what about symmetricity?
It is symmetric also.
It is symmetric also.
Like 1,2 and 2,1.
Easy to see, right?
Yes.
Easy to see. How?
Unless in same city.
Suppose, okay. Let me finish first. Suppose Arpit and Mahesh belongs to R. It means what? It means that Arpit
Mahesh and Arpit also.
and Mahesh belongs to same city, right?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
So if Arpit and Mahesh belongs to same city, you can do this kind of thing, no? Mahesh and Arpit also belongs to same city.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Yes.
Right? It means what? Mahesh and Arpit from R. Because Mahesh and Arpit both are belongs to same city.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
It means here Mahesh and Arpit are arbitrary, right? Here we can talk about any arbitrary element A and B, any arbitrary pair. If A and B from R, it means if A and B belongs from same city, means that B and A also belongs from same city. Right? So this relation is symmetric. Right?
Yes, sir.
Why? What is symmetric relation is saying? Here you can see if AB is in the relation of R, then BA is also in a relation of in R. Right? This is a symmetric relation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will be true because it is asking R is symmetry or not. Okay, just let me know whether the given R is transitive or not.
Sir, it is.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Yes, sir,
Yes, it is transitive.
Yes, it is transitive.
Okay, this is my relation. Okay, let's see why it is transitive. So what is transitive relation is saying? If R is transitive, it means that what? If AB belongs to R and simultaneously BC belongs to R. Here what you can see, this second entry and this is first entry. First entry of the second person and secondary entry of the first person are same here. Then AC has to be inside R. Then we will say my relation is transitive. Sir, how do I get practice assignment? Someone please help Dipesh for getting practice assignment.
Sir, please ignore those chats.
No, they have to submit by tomorrow, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday there was a discussion. It seems there are some technical glitch. So I think they have to contact the BS office.
Okay. The thing is, okay, there was some orientation session before starting this kind of session. There was some orientation session. If someone has the link of that orientation session, okay, I have opened the chat for all. Please paste that particular link here so that everyone will be able to see how we need to do for seeing where is the practice assignment, where is the course content. If you have that link, please send it here. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is the definition of transitive relation. So here, let's see. Same thing. If Arpit and Mahesh are from same city, belongs to R. Okay, and Mahesh and Rohit Sharma are from same city. Somehow I am taking Rohit Sharma belongs from my city. Okay, but it's not correct in general. Okay, it means what? Arpit, Mahesh and Rohit all are from same city, right? This is Rohit, not R.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So you can easily see here Arpit and Rohit are from same city.
Yes, sir.
right? So I can say Rohit Sharma belongs to my city. Okay.
Jabalpur. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is a transitive relation. This thing we can do for any arbitrary elements. Correct? So this is a transitive relation. So since this relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive as well, so this relation will become equivalent relation. Okay, understood? Question was asking only for symmetric relation, but by one question we have discussed all the three relations. Now complete, like now understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let's see the B part. Here the question is asking for transitivity. It's transitive, right?
Yes, sir.
No need to discuss further.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now let's move to the part of functions part. Okay, let's see. This is the definition of injective and surjective function. We have already covered this thing. If someone has some doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can watch the Sunday's lecture as well. There, Samiksha has covered all those things. Okay.
Sir, how many sessions do you have taken till now?
See, I have taken 2 sessions, and one session was taken by Samiksha. Okay. My first session was on Friday. Another session was yesterday. Okay. And this Samiksha session was on Sunday. Okay.
These all three belongs to maths one only.
This is for maths 1 only. So in for math 1, you will have 4 sessions, 4 instructor sessions. So as we get a good response from yesterday's session, so we will take one Hindi session every week as well. At least up to your qualifier exam. Okay. So you will have one Hindi session as well.
Sir, I have a doubt
current...
in functions.
Yes. What is the doubt?
Sir, in the lectures by the professor, he has explained a topic known as bijections and cardinality. Can you explain that?
Yeah, I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain the cardinal relation with the bijectivity and cardinality.
Sir, I have doubt in that function.
Sir, can you explain surjectivity?
Yeah, I will do. No,
and sir, how to find surjective? That is
that relations, there is a reflexive and a symmetric. Symmetric I can understand, both are some density. Reflexive and transitive, actually I'm a little bit confused.
Okay. Here, just see.
Sir, is it possible?
Transitive relation. Transitive relation, what it's saying? It's saying that if I have AB in that relation, and similarly BC in that relation, what is the common thing here? The common thing is that here second entry of first element and first entry of second elements are same. See, B and B both are same. Then in that case, if it is happening now, then AC will be there in R. This is saying if relation is transitive. Okay. Now in that relation, what happens is, suppose by this example, Arpita and Mahesh and Rohit Sharma. Okay. By this example, you can see if Arpit and Mahesh from same R, okay, it means Mahesh and Arpit belongs to Jabalpur. Similarly, Mahesh and Rohit is also belongs to Jabalpur. You are getting my point. Arpit and Mahesh are from Jabalpur, and Mahesh and Rohit are also from Jabalpur. So as you can directly see, na, Arpit and Rohit from Jabalpur.
Sir, what to do when we have no common elements?
Just a minute. You can say like that. Right? So from here you can see, if you will do this is just an example. If you will do, so from here what you can get? You can get that Arpit and Rohit both are from same city, right? So in the general perspective, if you will take any arbitrary element A, B and C, and for that you can say if AB belongs to this R, it means A and B are from same city. Similarly, B and C are from same city. Then you can directly say yes, A and C will be the same from same city. So it means that this relation is transitive.
But the question only A, B is there, C is not there.
See, this is just a representation. Okay, just like your name. After all, for a government, you are just a number. So it's just the representation thing. Okay. So
Okay.
you can take anything.
Transitive, okay, Ji, we understood. What is the reflexive? And another
Reflexive
one,
is, yes, symmetricity I have explained. Symmetricity I have explained. Okay. This one. Any
Yes,
doubts in
yes,
this?
symmetric. Understand. Both are from the same city if you are collapsing them. Okay.
Yes. If you no matter if you will switching all those things, if Arpit and Mahesh
Everything.
from Jabalpur, then Mahesh and Arpit also from Jabalpur. We are just changing their name, right?
Yes.
So it will be
Reflexive.
symmetric. Okay, I'll explain the reflexive. Reflexive thing, what it is saying basically? Reflexive thing is nothing but if a kind of elements are there in R, and this is happening for all A. If this is happening for all A.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose there were some set S which containing some set of people. Okay. From there, these peoples are coming. And in that set, we have defined this relation AR. So what you need to see? You need to see for every element which are inside this A as R, we can say that A and A are from same city. It means that if from here, what you can say? A and A are from same city, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. What does it mean? If A belongs to R, it means that A and A are from same city. This is basically what A is in city. So as you can see, if Arpit is there, okay, in Jabalpur. Okay, Jabalpur. Then you can say no, Arpit is from Jabalpur. Same Arpit. I'm talking about same Arpit.
Okay.
It's not like
Okay.
Arpit Sharma and Arpit Amrati. No, same Arpit.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right. This will belongs to R automatically because Arpit is from Jabalpur. You can say Arpit is from Jabalpur. Okay, understood now?
Yeah, understood.
Yes, sir. Okay. This is good. Okay, let's move to the function.
Sir, I have one doubt in that same topic.
Functions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is possible. It is possible to be wrong some of the question because the question will be written was written by some human being, right? So there is a high chances, not high chances, but yeah, there is a chances that some of the question will be wrong.
Sir, if I
But
have
it's
a
not
relation
like, yes.
Sir, if I have a relation 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on, how can I find the transitivity?
We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Just give me a second. What you are saying?
Sir, I want to know.
I think you haven't watched that lecture, Friday's lecture. If you have watched that lecture, no, I don't think so. You will get this kind of doubt. I have cleared this kind of a small doubt in that lecture as well. Did you watch that lecture? Just let me know first.
Yes, sir, but I still not.
Okay. What you are saying? 1, 2, then?
He was saying 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. He was saying
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That's it?
Yes, sir. 1, 1, 2,
Okay.
2, and 3, 3. How can I find the transitivity among them?
No need to do anything. What is transitivity saying? If I have this kind of element in R, then only I will see for this AC in R or not. If I don't have anything like this, I don't need to worry about it. Just see whether this kind of elements are there or not. No, right? 1, 1 is there. Is there any other element who have first entry as 1? No, right?
Sir.
No.
No.
Apart from this first element, there is no such element.
No, sir.
Correct. Similarly, if you will take this 2, anything, or briefly we can say we don't have any kind of this kind of element here, right?
Yes, sir.
No. It's just like if I need to go to the Hyderabad, I need to buy a ticket. No matter from where I am getting going, by a flight or by a train, right? Right?
Yes.
So if I have to go to the Hyderabad, then I need to buy a ticket. if I don't need to go to the Hyderabad, I am buying a ticket or not buying a ticket. It doesn't matter, right?
So then is transitive?
Yeah, then it will be transitive because it doesn't matter whether this element will be inside R or not. If first condition is not holding, then I am not worried about the second statement.
Okay.
Okay. If
Okay,
first
sir, then we can
statement
only
is
say
not
that the
happening,
relation is only reflexive.
So what kind of relation is this?
cannot say
This is
anything about
reflexive.
it. It depends on what is my S. This is transitive. Okay, this is transitive. This is saying I am transitive. Why it is? Because it's not here. The first one is not holding. First
Okay.
one is not holding. Okay.
Is
So
this
first one is
symmetric?
not holding. That is why I am not going to the second one.
Then what
Then it
about
is not
reflexive?
symmetric, right?
See, what you are talking. You are talking about transitivity or symmetricity or reflexivity. Please let me know clear. Let me clear first.
Then I want to know this function is an equivalent relation or not.
This one.
Is that the
This is not
relation
a
1,
function.
1, 2, 2, and 3, 3 is an equivalent relation or not?
It is an equivalent relation. No? Why it is? Because it is reflexive. It depends. If your set S is 1, 2, 3, okay, then only it will become reflexive. So this is reflexive. This is identity as well. Okay, this is symmetric as well, and this is transitive as well. So if these things, this is transitive as well. So from here you can say
This is an equivalence.
exactly.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, sir, understood.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
How it is
Yes.
transitive? How
Sir,
it
how
is
Transitive, sir.
transitive?
Yeah, how it is a transitive actually?
Sir, I guess it
If
is only
A comma
reflexive and
B,
symmetric.
Sir, it's only reflexive and symmetric, right? Not transitive.
Yes, sir. It is
not
not
transitive actually.
So it's only
A comma B, B comma C, then if and only if A comma C is part of the relation, then it is a transitive.
What is transitive relation?
A comma B and B comma
If
C
just see this
belong
if.
to the relation.
Okay, let me clear. If just look at this if A comma B and just look at this and B comma C inside R, okay, in my relation R, then this A comma C has to be inside R. If this first statement happens, then only you will see by this thing. Okay, if this doesn't happen, I don't need to see this happen, this thing. You are getting my point?
Right.
so
If this does not
we don't
happen,
see.
okay, let me clear first. Let me clear first. Then, okay. If it's still not clear, then you can unmute yourself and then let me know. Okay, what I am saying, if this first statement is happening, if this first statement is happen, then only you will go for this statement. Okay, if the first statement is not holding, you don't need to worry about AC. It will automatically become transitive. Okay, transitive relation is just saying if this kind of thing will happen, initially if this thing happens, then only I will be worried about this AC is inside R or not. Just like suppose you have an relation like this 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, then 1, 3. Here what you can see? Here you can see that here I am getting an element from like AB and BC. Here you can see this is my AB and this is my BC. Then only I am worried about this A and C, whether this kind of pair is inside my R or not. Okay. Similarly, if I will add 1, 1 here, then or not 1, 1, 4, 4 I am adding. Okay. Then someone will come to me and then they will say, sir, for 4, 4 it is not happening. So why I need to worry about this 4, 4? Because this is not satisfying my initial condition. I need to worry about those elements which are satisfying my initial condition. In this example, what happens is no elements are there inside this R who is satisfying my initial condition. If no elements are there which is satisfying any of the condition, any initial condition, I don't need to check the second condition. it will automatically become a transitive relation. If you are not hungry, why you need to make some food? It will be waste of time only, right?
Yes. If the no condition is satisfying, then that is not transitive, right?
No condition. Firstly, you need to see whether this first condition is satisfying or not for any element, any two element. This condition is happening or not. If this is happening, then you will go for the third one.
In
If
that,
this is not
there is
happening,
no
then you
happening.
need to.
It is
Yeah,
not
if
happening
the-
there, no.
Yeah, it is.
But in
The
the
first one is
given
not
relation-
happening. The first
Okay,
one is
then
not
it is
happening.
not. Then it is not transitive.
Not a transitive.
It will transitive.
Hello, sir. Actually, from the relation, if A comma B does not belongs to R, then we need, then there is no need to check B comma C, right, no, sir? So it satisfies transitive. That's what you are trying
Exactly. Exactly.
Sir, so
you're
this
saying
is
all
like a
relations are
vacuous
transitive?
statement, right?
Not all relations are transitive. Okay, we'll
Everybody now
discuss in the end of. Okay,
Sir,
we'll discuss this in the end of the class. Will it fine? Let me complete this PDF first, because this is the today, and I will complete this. Whoever will have doubt, I will definitely clear this doubt, and then only I will close this session. Okay, will it be fine?
Okay.
Just relax. Just
Yeah,
relax for
it's
1 to 2
fine.
minutes.
Please go ahead with the next problem, Ji. It's okay.
Okay.
We can take it up later.
Okay,
You go ahead
just
with the next
let me
problem.
finish. Only 2 questions are remaining now. Only 2
Sir, go
questions
ahead.
are remaining, and they are very easy.
Please
So
proceed.
let me finish this 2 questions, and then we will discuss what is this basically. I will discuss this whole thing by scratch only. Why this is not transitive, why it is transitive. This thing will be clear for everyone. Okay, no issue. I know this kind of doubts will happen. Okay.
Okay.
This is natural. Okay, let's see. For a function f mapped to from set A to set B, this is obvious. Domain is known as input set. Codomain is basically output set of possible values. Range is basically what actual set of values of output can take. Okay, this thing I have already explained in yesterday's session. Okay, one injective function and surjective function is already done in yesterday's session. Basically, what is one function? I will explain by the question as well. Okay, and bijective things is also covered in yesterday's session. So if you haven't watched that section, firstly go and watch that section. Also, I will cover this thing in the question as well. So I am directly taking the question. This is just a definition of function kind of thing. So I am skipping this one. Okay, this question I have already covered yesterday, right? Yes, sorry.
Sir, where can I find yesterday's session?
I told you, no. I will in the end of the class. I will let you know.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. So this question I have already covered in yesterday's session.
Yesterday we were not there in the session.
Okay. Okay. So I am not going to solve this question here now because I have already covered this question in yesterday's class. If you haven't watched that one, just go and watch. But for instance, just let me know the answer.
B.
This is not 1-1. Okay, what is 1-1 function?
Sir, it is an practice assignment question.
It is on to.
1-1 function is every input having unique output.
Okay, so basically what is 1-1 function? If x1 and x2 not equal to each other, this is from this is my inputs. Okay, x1 and x2 both are not equal to each other, then their functional value will also not equal to each other. This is what it means. Every input will get unique output, right?
Yes.
Two output from different value will not be same. Okay, we will not understand it. What Vidarsana? Okay, so what is 1-1 function basically? I am explaining. Don't worry. What is 1-1? If okay, so if I have to discard some function is not 1-1, then I need to find two x1 and x2 which are not equal to each other, and for that I will get, if I will get fx1 equal to fx2, then I am done, right? If something is not a 1-1 function.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So here, as you can see, if I will put n is equals to 1, so 1 is odd, right? N is odd, then you need to define this one. So 1 is odd, so I need to use this definition. So what it will be? F1 will be what? 1 plus 1 by 2, which is basically 2 by 2 and which is 1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. What about when I will take n is equals to 2 here? F2.
One again.
2 is even number. 2 is even number. It means what? I need to take this one,
Yes.
right? So it is basically what? 2 by 2, which is 1.
One.
I'm getting same thing. For two distinct, 1 is not equal to 2, right? So for two distinct input, I am getting the same output,
Yes.
right? So it's not 1, 1.
Got it.
Correct? Got it? So f is 1, 1 function? No. V1 is.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the one thing that you have V1 here. Okay. This one. This is again you have function. I am giving you 1 minute for solving this. Let me know whether this function is 1, 1 or not. What's your doubt, Vidarsana? What you are not understanding? Don't worry, that transitivity part I will definitely clear you. Okay, by examples as well.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about it. You will definitely learn something from this session. Okay, let's see why it's not. Some are saying no, some are saying yes. Let's see why it's not or why. Okay.
It's not 1-to-1.
No, sir. It's
Not 1 to 1. Okay. A similar thing. If we will take n is equals to 1, then what will be my f1?
Root 2.
1 plus 1. Why? Because a1 is odd, and for odd I need to take this one, right?
Right.
This is basically what? Root 2.
Root 2, sir.
And what about f2?
Root
2 is even.
Root
2 is even, so I
Root 2
need to
again,
use
sir.
this definition.
It is
This is
also
basically root 2.
Root
For
2
two
again.
distinct value, I am getting the same thing.
Same
Easy,
thing.
right? Easy.
Yes.
Yes.
So no.
Sir, I have doubt with regard to this about 2 question. When will the
Yes.
situation arise where we cannot determine it's not a 1-to-1? The third option.
This is not 1, 1, no? This is not 1 to
No,
1.
no, sir. I'm talking about the option C, which is there. When will such a situation arise where we cannot determine or
Determine that the function is
1-to-1?
1 to 1. Okay, if the function is not clear, it means what? If something is not a function, suppose I have this one, 1 by x for all x belongs to R. As you can see, for x is equals to 0, this function is not defined.
Yeah. Oh,
so in that case, you don't have enough data to say, because I am not saying you are not able to take x equals to 0 here.
Sir, this question is on to, I mean subjective, am I right?
So we need to check for that, whether this thing is on. No, it's not on to, no. R, your codomain is R.
But sir, irrational numbers are also real numbers.
No
Negative
matter what
numbers are
value you
not
will.
covered.
But sir, not all elements are not.
Sir, previous
Okay,
question.
okay,
Previous
fine,
question
fine,
answer, sir. You said that last night. You said that one is onto function.
This one, no. Let's just see that codomain, no. C codomain here, n is there, right? So here you can say, yeah, it's on to function. But here codomain is R, as you can see in this question. Codomain is R.
Okay, sir.
So what about 0 in the previous question?
0 is there, no? If you will directly put n is equals to 0, you will get your answer. N is equals to 0, you will get 0. 0 is even, no?
Okay. Got it.
So how you said that if range is different, then it is not onto.
Onto means range is equals to codomain. This is the definition.
So
Okay.
codomain should be
Same as range. So here you can see codomain is same as range. Why? Because just give me any natural number. Here any numbers from codomain will be a natural number k, right? right? For this k, I will be able to find a natural number who will map with this. If I will take 2k, this is an even number, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, what is my f of 2k? This is k only, right? By this definition, right? So I have taken arbitrary k from natural number and I have seen I am getting 2k, right? Which will give me this k.
So not
for
here.
n, yes, for any value of this n, I am getting a value in my domain. For that, their image is this k, right?
Sir, can you say with example?
Suppose I am saying I am arbitrarily taken 3 from my codomain. Okay, I am taking 3. If I will get pre-image of this 3, it means that if I will get some a from my domain such that f of a is 3, then I am done, right?
Yes.
Right? So for this 3, if I will use a as 6, for k I am using 2k. So for 3, I will use 2 into 3, which is 6. Right? So what is my f of 6? It will be 6 by 2, right? By this definition, because 6 is even. So it is basically what? This is basically 3 only, no? For 3, I am getting one element. That's it. This is what I need to see for ontoness.
Sir, all elements of range should map with all elements of codomain, then only it is a onto function.
Exactly. Not range. See, range and codomain both are equal, then only we will say it's a codomain. Not mapping. What is mapping here?
No, sir, I'm about to say like if range contains two arbitrary numbers like 3 and 4 and codomain only contains 3. So is it onto or not?
Because what did you say?
Sir, if range contains two numbers like 3 and 4, and whereas codomain only contains a single number 3, so it is an onto function or not?
How it is possible? Always this thing happens now. Range is always is a subset of codomain.
Okay, sir. Sir, if inverse happens?
Inverse?
Like codomain contains two numbers, 3 and 4, and range contains only 3, then?
Then it will not onto. What I am saying, it will be onto only if and only if our range and codomain both are same.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Simple. I think you haven't watched this kind of lecture, right? This thing I have already did in yesterday's session. And Samiksha also I had done this kind of thing in the Sunday session. You guys are not watching videos, I guess. Please go and watch, then only you can understand. Otherwise, it will be really difficult for you to qualify this exam. Just take it sincere, okay? Just do sincere for that. You have to pay. Otherwise, you have to pay a lot. This is not an onto function because here codomain is R. Okay. I will send you, Sayan, today's PDF. I will send you definitely.
So,
Yes.
sir, could you please explain why the B part is not an onto function?
Okay.
This one,
This
yes.
is your definition. This is your definition, right? Here your codomain is what? R. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Correct. Okay. Just let me know what is root 4.
It's 2.
It's 2 or minus 2?
It's 2.
Plus or
2,
minus
right?
2.
Minus 2.
It's 2, sir.
So
Not
it's 2.
minus 2. Always it will be
Always positive.
positive. Always positive, right? X square is mod x. Correct?
So I got it. I got it how it's not. Yes.
Okay. If you will take
Yeah.
any negative value, say minus 1, you will not get any kind of element. Correct?
Yes, sir. Got it. Understood. Thank you.
Everyone?
No, I don't understand.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
Not an onto function.
basically root 4, it means mod 2. Okay, or you can say root of x square, which is basically mod x. It means this thing will always give me positive value. Now here you have R. R will contain some negative value as well. So I will take, if I will take minus from 1 from there, so I am not able to find any value from my natural number set which will give me -1 as image. Why? Because in the image I will always get positive numbers. So this thing will not happen in any case. Range will not be equal to codomain in this case.
Got it, sir.
Because -1 is there in codomain, but -1 is not there in range. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last question. I hope it's last. Yes, this is last. Okay, function is defined like this. From D to R, D is your domain, R is your codomain, and which is defined as like this. Where D is a subset of Z. Just remember this thing. D is a subset of Z. It means all the elements from D are integers. So you have another set A with a set of integers, okay, which are in the domain of F. So basically A is a subset of DS. Then which of the following is a set A? Okay. You have 2 minutes for solving this. Basically, in this question, you need to find the domain of your function. Once you find the domain, just see which one of this given option are the subset of that set. That's it. That's what you need to see. Everyone is saying B. Okay, let's see. What is domain? I have explained you how will you find the domain for this kind of function. You have fx is equals to. Someone please let me know how will you find the domain of this kind of function. Who was there in yesterday's class? They know.
We will write x plus 3
Root always carrying a positive value.
It should be less than 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you need to check? Firstly, we will check for numerator part, then we will go with denominator part. Okay. Okay, let's complete with denominator. So denominator is saying if denominator will be 0, the function will not define, right? So denominator is saying, sir, any value you can take rather than x minus 5 equal to 0, right? If x minus 5 will be equal to 0, then denominator, then the whole term will not define, right? Because denominator will have issue when it will equal to 0. So I am not allowed to take x is equals to 5. So x not equal to 5. It means that for denominator part is saying you can take any value apart from this 5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
from denominator side, it is saying just exclude the 5. You can take every element. Correct? Okay, let's move to the numerator part. Okay, so you have expression like this, x plus 3. This expression, you have root here. So what root is saying? Root will say, I will be defined if and only if this part, this inner part is greater than or equal to 0. It means this x plus 3 will be greater than or equal to 0. Then only I will define, right? It means
Yes,
that
sir.
x has to be greater than or equal to -3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So somewhere here -3 is there. -3 is there. Correct?
Yes.
And here 0 and somewhere here 5 will be there. So denominator is saying just exclude -3, exclude 5. Okay. And numerator is saying you can take any value which is greater than -3. It means you are allowed to take this value. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So from
Denominator.
numerator, what you are getting? -3 to infinity, right?
-5. Yes.
Right? This is from numerator,
Okay. Yes.
right? And from denominator, what you are getting? You are getting r minus this 5, right?
Yes, sir.
For the domain, what you need to see? You need to see the intersection part. Correct?
So please repeat this
Yes,
again.
Can you show me the option?
Just a minute. Somewhere here 0, somewhere here 5. Just let me repeat it once. Denominator is saying you can take any value which is greater than 0. Correct? In this expression, numerator is saying you can check, you can take any value which is greater than 0. Why? Because for defining this root thing, you need to see whether the inner part is greater than or equal to 0 or not. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So for that, x has to be greater than or equal to -3. So you can take any value which is greater than or equal to -3. This is one thing is clear, everyone, for numerator
Yes, sir.
part. Now denominator is
doubt
saying,
on it. Because denominator I can understand that 0 cannot be down, so that numerator -3, how it is coming?
see, if you are
Is
defining
there any
this root
condition?
thing, if you are defining this root function, then it is necessary that inner side has to be greater than or equal to 0. So here, what is my inner thing? Here, inner thing is x plus 3. So x plus 3 has to be greater than or equal to 0. It means what? X has to be greater than or equal to -3. It means, what is this basically? You are taking this part only, no?
Oh, okay, I understand now. Yes.
Okay. And also denominator saying, I am not going to allow this part.
Yeah, that understand.
Right? So what will be my domain in this case? In this case, my domain will be 3. Now I am excluding my 5. So it will be 3 to 5 union 5 to infinity.
Yep.
This is my domain of function. Domain of f. Now see which one is the subset of this. Easily see.
Sir, can you repeat the denominator part, sir?
The denominator part is saying I am not agree if you are equal to 5. So I am saying don't take 5. So I am removing 5 here from here. So what I will get? I will get this one only. No?
So actually the numerator actually should not be minus. So that is actually, that is what the rule. It should not be coming minus. So that at minimum it will be 0, right?
See, in the numerator part, what you can see, this root thing is coming to the picture, right?
Yes.
Right? If this root thing coming to the picture, then what are the things which are inside this root? This root is saying, if I am coming, then if something is there which is inside me, it has to be greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be -1, -2 kind of thing. Okay. The inner part, what are the things are there inside this root? It has to be greater than or equal to 0. It means that this x plus 3 has to be greater than or equal to 0. Then only this one will define.
It is a condition that it should be equal to greater than.
Yes, this is a condition. This is the condition for defining this root kind of thing.
Okay, understood.
Okay. Just like for defining this p by q, q should not equal to 0. Just like this. Otherwise, you will get complex number.
Yes, correct.
So from here, you will get x is greater than or equal to -3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just see which one is the subset. So what you will get this one. B. Okay.
And sir, what's the range of this function?
Currently, we are not able to find the range of this function currently. But further, as you will complete your week 2, 3, 4, 5, you will get to know about the range.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because for that you need to see the graphs and maxima minima thing.
Okay, sir.
So the six exercise we have seen today, is it enough to finish the graded assignment? Is this?
If you have watched the lecture, if you have done with the your activity question, then it's more than enough.
Because even the activity question also I'm having a lot of doubt. So this would be helpful for me. Today I watched it.
Okay. Did you watch all those lecture? All the previous lecture? I don't.
Yes, yes, I will. That
You have
previous lecture I didn't watch it because I didn't have time.
Yes.
So
yeah. So firstly go and watch. Then only you can see why this kind of doubt is coming in your mind, because you haven't watched that lecture. All those things I have already covered in previous section. Unless
So the
on
thing is like
lecture.
I'm watching on the online the fixed on the YouTube videos, not live section. So I thought that would be enough, but after that I come to know there is a live session is going on. I don't know about the idea about this. So recently I come across this is online also there is a live session.
Yeah, for that they are continuously sending the mails. So for that you need to see the mail. They are informing in the mail. Now it is clear, right? It's like it's good if you get to know about it in just beginning of the course, right? If you will get to know about this in between, like after qualifier, you will definitely regret. Now you know you are aware about it, right?
So it
Now
is coming on the calendar that open maths one like that, right? Open session maths one, that calendar. So that is
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that is okay.
Okay.
So it is
now
the time to share the PDF now.
Yeah, I'll
Can
share. Just wait for a second.
Yeah,
So
I
what
need
you
to
need?
read
You
now.
need this like a written one, or you need the fresh PDF?
So the written one is all right.
Written one is good because he given some answer. No?
Written was
Or else we can send both.
Okay, just a minute. Just wait a minute. Okay, are you able to see this Chrome site?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So here just search YouTube. I'm saying from where you can get access of the recorded video. Just search IITM BS degree. Okay, this is our session which is happening now. So just click this. From here you will get this playlist option. Okay, so here stats one live session you can get computational thinking live session, and this is our math one session. Okay, so here you can see all the lectures. This is our second session. This is our first session, open session summary math one. This is our second session. This is yesterday's session, and this is the session which is running now, and this is the Friday session which will happen.
I am admitted with JE route. Do I also have to attend these live sessions or not? Because I already know
If
these.
you see anyone, no matter from where you are coming, no matter if you are coming from like JE background, or you are you have to do the qualifier exam. Doesn't matter. If you have cleared all those things, you don't need to attend the lectures. If you have doubts, then only you have to attend the lecture. If suppose there are some
I have
students
doubts,
who are
but I have doubts.
if you have
the questions.
If you have doubts, then you have to attend the session.
So just
Sorry,
one
sir?
more thing.
Yes.
Sir, can I ask one question?
How to access the PDF, sir? That's it. I'm sorry
This
to
one?
ask. But yes,
This
sir.
one, right? I am sharing. No, don't worry.
No, sir, but
Where
previous
do you
ones
share?
also how to access it.
Previous time you just ask with your classmates, okay? Because I
How
don't
to
have
ask?
now.
We don't have any connections.
That's what I am saying.
Please
Nah,
share
they
it.
have their WhatsApp group.
That and all we don't have idea. So if you are having all the PDF previous also, you can share it now so that it would be helpful.
Currently, I don't have previous one because I don't know. I didn't save. I directly sent to the student, I guess. Previous PDF, I guess what is there in previous? I have taken only two sessions. Yesterday's there was nothing.
Sir,
And
you have Sunday
days,
PDF?
Sir,
Sunday
it is
period,
possible
I did not
anyway.
do.
You can upload it on the DCA portal.
Okay, this is the today's session.
The DSA portal. Sir, we
Sorry?
all want the previous class notes also. So I request if each and every teacher can upload all the session notes in the DSA portal, it will be very helpful for us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll try
Yes,
to do,
sir.
but I cannot say yes or no. Yes, okay. Okay, I am uploading the first
Yes, sir.
session's PDF as well. First session PDF as well. If I have, yes, I have that one.
Thank you, Ji.
So I am uploading that one as well.
So
Thanks, Ji.
Okay. So I have uploaded for today's video solve with us, and this is for Friday session. In that for Friday session, you need to download OneNote app then only you can
Sir,
access this PDF, because this is
where
not
we will
PDF, this
find
is a
the
You
document
have
file.
Sunday PDF or not, sir?
Sorry, currently it's going.
On Sunday, ma'am teach
I
remote.
don't
Sir,
have
you
Sunday.
have
I don't have Sunday.
Send it in PDF
I don't
format.
have Sundays one.
Sir,
Send
you
today's
put
lecture in
see.
PDF
comment
format.
box in YouTube so that everyone can access it.
Yeah, done. I think this new session one, this is for Friday session. Friday session one I have sent. This is on OneNote form for getting access of this PDF. Just download OneNote software on your laptop or
so where
MacBook,
you are
whatever you
saying?
are using, or if you are using mobile. This one is
Where are
okay.
where
This
are you
is
uploading now?
direct.
Where is it available now?
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Thanks.
Just a minute. Just give me a second.
Sir, I have
Yeah,
already
it's
sent in the
downloading.
chat box.
Chat box, please check the chat box.
Yeah.
Sir has already
Yeah.
shared.
Yes, it is available.
So when will
One more PDF I am sending.
It takes some time to be uploaded on the chat box.
Exactly. It's okay. This
So
is
when
the
will
thing that I have right now. Sorry?
when will open sessions happens for maths week 1 assignments?
Week 1 assignment, you will get the solution PDF, okay? Or you may get some recorded video. More probably TA will take the session.
No, sir, I'm asking when will open sessions happens for week 1?
This is the open session, right? And one more open session will be there on Friday, and you will have some session on tomorrow as well for Math 1.
So
what does
actually,
mean
it's
TA?
there. It would be uploaded in calendar every week,
Yes.
or
everything is uploaded in the calendar. If you have added the calendar, you can see.
So what is the full form of TA?
Teaching assistant.
So I have a doubt in the activity question. Can you tell it?
Yes.
the
Firstly,
calendar.
let me complete with the this transitivity things.
Transitive. Yes.
Because many students are facing the same issue. Okay, let me use OneNote one. If I will have, okay, I have for yes.
So only 2 PDF.
Yeah, I am sending for tomorrow's yesterday's session as well. Let me download it first.
Convert into PDF.
See, that thing you need to do, okay? At least this kind of thing that you can do.
Yes, we
I'm
can do.
expecting this month, right? You are, after all, you are a data science student, so you have to do this kind of
Yeah,
thing.
we can. But my computer is dead now because electricity cut off.
So you can do by tomorrow. What's the issue?
No, the file is not saving in smartphone. It is saying open in other apps. I need to download the OneNote.
That's why I am saying. That's why I am saying. Just make a WhatsApp group, or someone will send it on comment box, where this YouTube session is. Like in the YouTube recording, just send it on comment box so that everyone will take that one. Please.
There are n number of
WhatsApp group, right? See.
But in
okay, so Wahid had sent the WhatsApp group. Or Wahid had sent the WhatsApp group. Just join that one. Wahid, please, could you please send this one? All those things. Okay, I have sent the PDF of yesterday's session as well. Okay.
Not PDF, dot one.
Yeah, that one. All the session will be happen on OneNote. Okay, so please download the OneNote thing in your laptop so that it will be easy for you, because it's really difficult for me to convert it on PDF.
Understood,
it will take too much of my time.
So your mobile option available no for mobile.
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. The mobile version is available, so you can do it there. Rather, in mobile you have multiple options. There is an application which actually can convert many things into many pictures. The thing when you do
Okay,
something called document something. that will help you to do word to note anything can be done.
Sir, I have shared a WhatsApp
Proceed with the
group, sir.
transitivity.
They can join. They can join there and ask from their classmates, sir.
Yes.
By the
So
name of
what-
which
Vishwajit,
Bishwajit.
yeah.
Okay, ji. Thanks.
Okay, let's see. Let's discuss this transitive relation. What's the time now? 10:28. Okay.
10:30.
Okay, no issue.
I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Let me finish the transitive relation first, because many of have
Regarding functions and type of function, the last class which you have taken, whether it is in English or only in Hindi?
both English, you can say. It was not exactly on Hindi. I have like lots of things I have teach in English as well. I just for communication language I have using in Hindi, just for communication.
Okay, sir.
Everything
Okay,
is
ji.
there in English only. Just in just the communication language was in Hindi.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, so what is basically
Sir,
transitive
may I ask
relation?
my queries regarding activity questions?
Sorry.
So where I can ask the queries regarding the activity questions.
Probably you have a tomorrow session, right? Tomorrow TA session. You just ask there itself.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So transitive relation. What is it basically? What we are saying. So I am writing the formal definition first, right? Okay. A relation R. Okay. This is a relation R on a set set S is said to be a transitive relation if, okay, this is the second line, if A and B are
Where are you writing? Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir,
okay,
it's
okay,
not.
sorry,
It's not
I
visible.
forgot to share the screen. Just a minute. Now it's visible.
Ah, ji.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
thanks for reminding me.
Okay.
Okay, so our relation R on a set S is said to be transitive relation if for AB belongs to R, if for AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. This implies, don't use for you. If this happens, then
AC also belongs to R.
Then AC also belongs to R. Okay, what I am saying?
Yes.
I am saying if in your relation R, you have AB and BC kind of element. AB and BC, what is the specific reason of this element? Because here, as we can see, in the second entry of this first element, and here first entry of the second elements are same, right? B and B.
Yes.
Right? Right? Here.
Yes.
Correct. This is the thing. Please help. Someone please help of this Jeffy. I'm pronouncing correctly, I guess. Jeffy Johnson. Please someone help, or someone please take initiative and convert this OneNote thing on PDF format and send it here, because in the last term your seniors has one of the seniors has taken the initiative for converting this kind of thing. In
Sir,
every class
sir,
he's
in
just
WhatsApp
converting
group,
thing.
sir, in WhatsApp group they have shared and they have sent it the document, sir.
Yeah. So just join the WhatsApp group, okay, Jeffy? Okay. Okay. So what is the specific thing in this two element here? Second element, second entry of this element and first entry of this element is common. So what is it saying? It is saying that if no sir, this kind of thing happens, okay, means AB and BC kind of things are there in my R, then I will talk about this AC whether it is inside R or not. Okay, if it is inside R, then we will say yes, this is a transitive relation. If this is not inside R, then we will say it is not a transitive relation. Okay, for example, suppose I have a set S is like this 1, 2, 3, Okay, and I have a relation R is defined like this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, this is one of the relation. So for checking whether it is a transitive or not, what we need to check? We need to see whether we have this kind of element or not. Okay.
Yes,
So
it's there.
what is okay? So what is my first duty? My first duty is to check whether we have this kind of element or not. So what are the possibility? We have two possibility there. Either we will get that kind of element, or we will not get. Right? This is the two possibility that will occur. Correct?
Correct.
Either we will get or we will not get. Okay. Okay, sir.
Correct.
So here what happens is, suppose I am taking this first element. Okay. This first element I am taking. Now for this first element, we can see we have this kind of element, right? Here second position and first position are same.
Yes.
Correct? Correct.
Matching.
But simultaneously, yes. But simultaneously we can see for third element, I don't have any element like 3C. Correct? Correct?
It should be AC, so that one or else some
what
other
I am
number,
saying,
right?
I am saying at the same time, what I have, if I am taking the first element, for the first element, I have an element like 1, 2. Right? For this AB, if I will take AB here, if I will take AB as my 1, 1, then what will be my BC in that case? This will become 1, 2, right?
Yes.
Right? But if I will take my AB as 2, 3, okay, whether I have any element like BC here in this relation, B3 means something is there 3 or C kind of thing. No, right? No, right?
Yes.
Right? It means that at the same time, I have for some element, I have this kind of thing. And for some element, I don't have. Correct?
2, 3, how it's coming.
I am not explaining transitive relation currently. I am just just seeing the observation. I am just observing the things.
Okay.
Okay. So are you able to see this observation first?
Yes.
Correct. So for transitive relation, now see, for transitive relation, what it's saying, if this kind of thing happens, it means here we can see for 1, 1 and 1, 2 case, we are getting this kind of things. Then just go and check for this. Okay. Then see here, if we will see here, this 1, 1. So now I need to see for AC because I am getting the first condition. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Because I am getting the first condition for these two elements, then I will go for the second one. So what will be my AC in that case? 1, 2 only.
Correct.
Correct. So in that case, we can see, yes, 1, 2 is there. Right? Right? In that case, we have seen that 1, 2 is there. So my first one is done. Now let's take the second one. Okay. So now I am considering my AB as 1, 2. Okay. Then what will be my BC? My BC will be of the form something 2 and C. So here we have this element, right? This will work as BC right? So this is 2, 3. Now here again I am getting this first one thing, AB and BC kind of thing is there. Correct? Correct? Now I need to discuss. I need to discuss whether AC is there or not. So what will be my AC in that case? 1, 3, right?
Yes.
Now what I can see here? I can see 1, 3 is not there.
Not there.
Right? So from here we can say it's not transitive. Correct? Up to this, clear? R is not transitive. This is clear right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Observation is that at the same time I will get that form or I will not get that form. Okay, here I am for some element I am getting that form or I am not getting that form. Okay, now I am giving you another example. Okay, let us see the another example. R as 1 1 1 2. This is a different example. Okay, 2 3 1 3. Okay. Okay, 1 3. Okay, 2 3 and 1 3. Okay, everything is clear. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Let's see for this. Now take AB as 1 1. Okay, what will be my BC in that case? It can
1
be
2.
either 1 2 or 1 3, right? Both will work.
Why it is so?
Why it is so? Because 1 3 will work as like this only, na? What I need the second place same. So here also same, no?
Okay.
Here also same, and this is also same.
Understand.
Understood? Now, for both of the case, I need to see AC. So for the first, this one and this one, what will be my AC? 1 2 only. And for this one and this one, 1 1 and 1 3, what will be my AC? 1 3 only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And both elements are there. Right?
Yes.
Right? Both elements are
Right,
there.
right.
Now I am done with this 1 1. Let's move towards
Yes.
1 2. Now take AB as 1 2. Okay. Now for AB as 1 2, what will be my BC in that case? It will be 2 or something C.
2.
Is there any 2
Okay.
or something C?
No.
No. So I have reject this one. I don't need to worry about it. I am rejecting this one.
See, 2 and C is there. C 2 and 3 is there. Sorry, 2
Yes,
and
2
3
and
is
3
there.
is
No?
there. Yes, 2 and 3 is there. Now I am including
okay.
this one. Right?
Okay, sir.
2 or 3 is there. Then I am including this one. Correct? Now, for that, I need to talk about this AC. What will be my AC in that case? 1 3. As we can see, 1 3 is there.
Yes, sir.
Right? I am done. Yes. Second test is also passed. Now, let's discuss with third element. What is my third element? Now I am treating AB as third element. What is it? 2 3. Now, what I need? BC. BC will be of the form 3 or something like this. Now, do I have any element like this?
No,
3C?
sir.
No. So I don't need to talk about this. I will skip this one. Why? Because in that case, I don't want to go Hyderabad. Okay. Then, no matter whether I am purchasing the ticket
Or no.
I am purchasing that ticket or not. Okay, because my initial condition, I am not going to Hyderabad. It doesn't matter if I will take the ticket or don't take the ticket. Okay, it means this will not play any role for being transitivity. You are getting my point?
Okay, but first two condition are is
Yes.
transition, no?
Yes. For first two element, we are getting the first condition. The initial condition I am getting, right? From all this all condition. But here I am not getting my initial condition. It means that this will be out. This will not play any role.
Okay.
Correct? Okay. Understood up to this? Now, if this is not play any role, it means the existence of this element, it doesn't matter whether it will be there or not. It will not play any role for either for discarding the transitivity or proving the transitivity. You are getting my point?
Okay.
Okay. Now if this is not playing any role, I will discard this element, then I will move further. So now here what it will be, I will treat AB as 1, 3. Now what will be my BC in that case also? Some 3C kind of element. Whether we have 3C kind of element here?
No, not there.
No. So it will also not play any role. So what I have seen that for last two elements, these two elements are not participating for being it is transitive or not. This is not participating. So I will not see for that. So who are participating, I will decide who will be the winner on that only, right?
Yes.
In race, if two players are participating, so I will be decide which one is the first. If someone is not participating in the race for some reasons, so I will not include that person. So from here, this will become transitive relation, because other two person will not follow, will not affect my result, because they are not satisfying my initial condition. Now, got the idea?
So you mean to say that first the initial condition is okay, then final AC also, if it is available, then it is transitive, or else first initial condition is also not participating, then they are also not transitive.
Yes. Sometimes what happens is, for that also you will see in this example, what happens is, in this example here, I am not getting any element like BC, right? We have seen that BC, this kind of element is not available. So this will not be the part of deciding whether this will become transitive or not, right? If the initial if the elements are satisfying the initial condition, those elements will will be affect my transitivity only. For those elements, if I am satisfying the second condition, then only I will see that is transitive. If not, then we will say it's not transitive. Suppose now this is also the possibility that in some relation no elements will participate, like this 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Like this relation, what happens is no elements will participate.
Then it is transitive, you are saying?
Yeah, it will become transitive, because no elements are participating. No elements are participating, but race is still there. I have organized the race, no one is participate, doesn't matter, but race is there. If someone will participate, I will decide which one is first. If no one is participating, I don't need to worry about it. Understood?
Yes.
Understood? Because they are not interested in participating the race. So I don't need to worry which one will be the first, which one will be the second.
So if they're qualifying first, I mean A, B, B, C, then if it is not there AC, then it is not transitive, you're saying, right?
Yes. If first condition are not satisfying for some element, we will left that element and then move forward.
That is, we are saying that is also transitive. And if first it is there satisfying, then the second condition it is not satisfying, then that is not transitive.
Exactly.
Okay.
You're getting my point? It's just it's just like they are not interested to go Goa. So no matter whether they are purchasing the ticket or not.
So it's the same. It is we can apply to symmetric and reflexive.
Same
everything.
thing.
It is
Yes. Same thing. Symmetricity. What symmetricity is saying? Symmetricity is saying if AB belongs to R, then check whether BA is inside R or not. Okay. If AB is not there in R, if AB is not there R, I don't need to worry about BA. This is what.
Yes. Can you give me an example of something? 1, 2, 2, 1 like that.
1, 2 is there.
Example.
2, 3 is there. Okay. And 3, 2 is there. And 2, 1 is there. Okay. This is an example. I have a set S is equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay. As you can see, 1, 3 is not there, right? So I don't need to check whether 3, 1 is there or not. Why I will check? Because 1, 3 is not there. Okay. So I need to worry only those are inside my R.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is symmetric. So it is okay.
Now it's
A, B,
symmetric
B.
because for 1 2 I am getting 2 1, for 2 3 I am getting 3 2, for 3 2 I am getting 2 3, and for 2 1 I am getting 1 2. But someone will say, sir, what about 1 3 and 3 1? Why? Now since this is not inside my domain, why I need to worry about it?
But this one also can conclude with the set. That doesn't, we don't want to care about it. If it is in the set also, you don't want to care about it, right?
Suppose if 1 3 is there in R.
Okay.
If 1 3 is there, now if since 1 3 is inside R, now I need to care about 3 1 is inside R or not. Because 1 3 is inside R. You are getting my point? What I am saying? What are what is my interest? My interest is saying, suppose if something is inside R. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose AB is inside R. For this element, I am saying for AB inside R. Okay. Whether this BA is inside R or not, here I am interested. Okay. Here I am taking only one element. Okay. But in the transitive case, I am checking for two elements. That is why it happens that something is inside R, but we are not, we are excluding this one like this 2 3, because this is only one pair is inside R. That is why I am including AND sign here. No, I need two elements in that case. Here I need only one element. You are getting the difference?
Yes, sir.
Here I need only one element for checking another property, but here I need two elements, AB and BC. Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, you understood.
Okay. Anyone, please, can you share the PDF and one note shared today by the faculty?
Sir, can you explain bijections and cardinality?
Yes, thanks for reminding this. I hope this one is clear.
Sir, could you please
Sir,
mute
quickly, I have
Youth Raj?
just one doubt.
Yes,
Just
please.
suppose the state
Yes,
has
please. Could you please mute your mic?
elements like 1, 2.
I have muted.
Youth Raj, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, then.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Mic is under mute only.
Yes. Okay, let's see. Relation between cardinality and bijection. Okay. Bijection. चलो भाई देखते हैं इसको भी. Okay. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me drink some water. Okay. Bijection, everyone knows what is bijection. If function is 1 1 and on 2, then we will say function is function is bijective function, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This thing is clear. It means bijection function will look like this, right? Here
Actually,
will
it is injection. It is no leftover in the codomain, and
yes, this kind of thing will be there in bijection. Correct?
No leftover in codomain.
No leftover is codomain, and as well as what happens is each element of codomain will have one image only, one pre-image only.
Yes.
Right? Right. This thing is clear. I hope this kind of thing will happen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, G.
Okay. This is my set A. This is my set B. Function is defined, which is bijection. Now you can see here one element is mapping only with one element, right? It means that in that set we have 5 elements, suppose, and one element are mapping only one element, and no elements are remaining in the set of B as well, right?
Yes.
So if there are 5 elements inside A, so it is there is the condition that, sorry, this is the must thing that we will have only 5 elements. Why? Because one element is mapping to one. Okay. In general case, what happens is, in general case, if function is like, suppose if there is a possibility that, see, we have seen that one, right? Range is a subset of codomain. This is the general case, right? It means that
Yes.
the number of element inside range is always less than or equal to number of element inside codomain, right?
Codomain, correct.
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 Now what happens is here range and codomain both are equal. Why? Because function is onto. So from here what happens is number of elements inside range is equal to number of elements inside codomain, because both set are equal. Correct?
Yes.
Both,
Yes.
both of the range set and codomain has same cardinality. Correct? Because both are the same set.
So in this case, actually A equal to B equal to range, right?
No. What I am saying, just listen to me carefully. I haven't go through that one as well. So from here we can say cardinality of range set and cardinality of domain set is same, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Now I am defining a function like this. Suppose I have A, B, C, D here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things is here. Okay. Now A is mapping to 1, B is mapping to 2, C is mapping to 4, and D is mapping to 3. Okay. In that case, what happens is, what is my range set?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right? 5 is not inside. In that case, what happens is, range is a subset of codomain.
Codomain.
Correct?
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So it's not onto function, right? It's not onto function. But if I need to make onto, what I need, suppose I am including E here as well, and I am including F here as well. This is mapping to 3. Now this is an onto function, right? Here you can say yes, codomain is my codomain and range both are equal, right?
Yes.
In that case, what will happen? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now this is an onto function. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. But now this is not a 1-1 function. Why? Because F and D both are mapping to 3 only. Not 1-1. But what I need 1-1 as well. It means that for F there are some elements, 6 kind of thing. So what you are saying, as you are increasing elements in this A, if function is bijective, accordingly we have to increase some element in B as well, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct? If function is bijective, then we have to increase, because for one element I have to assign only one element. No matter assignment, the assignment is from which side, either from here to here or here to here, in the case of bijection. Getting my point?
Yes.
Right? It means that the
Getting it.
number of element inside A is always equal to the number of element which is inside B. Then only I can assign this kind of thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? One more way that we can say, suppose this is my set A, this is my set B. Now I need to define a 1-1 function from here to here. 1-1 function is saying that for two distinct value x1 and x2, the functional value will be distinct. Right? Right?
Yep.
So suppose I have 5 elements in this A. So for 5 distinct elements from this A, I need at least 5 elements in B, right?
Yes, that is injection.
For defining injective function, for injection,
yes,
I need at least 5 element
in codomain.
Element in codomain or in B. Here codomain is my B. So what we can see, if F is injective, this is the crucial thing, okay? Injective, then number of element in A will be always less than or equal to number of element in B. Okay, if F is defined from A to B. Correct? This is clear?
Sure.
Because at least
Clear.
I need if we have n number of element inside A. So if function is injective, at least I need n element in B, right? Because this kind of thing happens. Because each element is mapping to the different element of B. Correct?
Yes,
right?
sir.
If function is injective, right?
Yes.
Now let's shift in the case of surjection. For surjection, this is my A, this is my B. Now surjection is saying what? Surjection is saying no element of this set will be
Left.
like left. Yes, it will not left.
Left over.
Correct?
Yes.
Correct. It means that if
Yes.
some of the element will not get its pre-image, then it will not surjective. But for surjective case, every element will be covered, right?
Yes.
Right. It means that at least this set A will has like at least this set has n number of element. If B has, suppose B have 5 elements in that case. Okay, suppose we have 5 elements, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. At least we need 5 element in A, right? For mapping element in B.
5 or greater than 5.
Yes.
Why so? Because suppose I have 4 elements. Suppose I have A, B, C, D. Okay. Now here I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 5 elements are there. Now A can map to 1, B can map to 2, C can map to 3, D can map to 4. But what about this 5? For completion of this 5, for I need pre-image of this 5 if F is surjective, right?
Yes.
But here it will not happen that C is mapping to 3 simultaneously, C can map to 5. This will not happen because it's a function.
Then
So I cannot do this kind of thing. It means that at least I need 5 element in my set A if function is surjective.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Correct? It means at least what I need at least this number of elements if F is surjective.
Yes, sir.
Correct? If F is surjective, this kind of thing happens. This is my first equation. This is my second equation. Okay, this thing I am getting from injectivity. This thing I am getting from surjectivity. Now for bijection case, F is injective and surjective both. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Both, right? It will be 1 1 and on to both. Correct? If F is bijective, then F has to be injective and surjective. It means that from injection case, I can take the first condition. From injection, it is coming. And from surjection, I can take the second condition. Okay. From 1 and 2, what I can get?
N is equal to NB.
N A is equal to NFB.
Understood how cardinality is relative in the case of bijection? This is the mathematically that I have shown.
Yes.
Yeah, Ji.
Understood?
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any other thing?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt in week 2 tutorial
It is
10.
our doubt session right now.
No, it's a solve with a session, but some of the people will have some doubt from week 1. See, week 2 doubt.
Solvation session is over.
Yes, session is over, already over. This is just for clearing. I am just clearing the doubt, whoever have doubt.
They put it in another.
Time to say goodbye.
For injective, A had to be more. The cardinality of A had to be more. For surjective, for injective, B had to be more. For surjective, A had to be more. For bijective, both have to be equal.
Yes, because both condition will satisfy in that case. So it's just like if a real number, if we have two distinct real number, x is greater than or equal to y, and simultaneously y is greater than or equal to x, then in that case this will imply x is equals to y. This is the general mathematics. If you have studied mathematics up to 10th standard, you know about this.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, simple. Okay, what's the time now? 11. Shall we close the session?
Yes,
So
sir,
probably
please.
you will have one TA session tomorrow.
Sir,
So
I've been
can we
waiting.
discuss our activity question doubts in the TA session?
Yes, you can ask there.
Sir, I've been waiting since the starting of the class for clearing my doubts.
What's your doubt?
Sir, I've sent all the doubts in one go. Please check it in the chat box.
Okay, could you please? What's your name, Sumit?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir, I have two doubts.
Okay, this one. Okay, let me share the screen. Are you able to see everyone?
Chaji.
Yes, sir.
What is the doubt here? Sumit, what's the doubt?
Sir, why here the option number 3rd is selected? As already in the question, it is said that only the first 100 natural numbers are to be selected.
Actually, 10,000 is why they mentioned. That is the question.
It's not the different squares of the
Right,
first
sir.
100.
Just a minute. Which of the following set comprehension defines the square of the first natural numbers?
When I got the same query, 10,000, how it is coming?
Because
We are.
square root of 10,000 is 100.
What is 100 square is
What it is saying? It is saying.
Hundred square.
But sir, we also
Just give me a
consider
second.
0 in natural number. Then how can we take the 100 as an first and the first
It's not
100 natural
equality.
number?
It's strictly inequality. Strictly inequality. Strictly inequality. Just see. Strictly inequality is there.
So it's less than.
Strictly inequality. Now, this will not consider 1,000.
Okay.
Sorry, 10,000. It will be go up to 9,999.
9999. Okay, okay. Ji.
I have a question in
Okay.
computing thinking. There is a range to below 100, 100 and 200, 200 and above 250.
See. The thing
This
is, the thing.
This
Okay, just
250
listen.
should I include in between 100 and 250 or above 250?
What you are saying? 250 in between?
No, above 250 has to be counted in another one section, one category. Below 250 had to be counted in another category. But this 250, when the mark comes in exactly 250, should it be included in the category 1 or 2? Or should it be
It
left?
depends. It depends where you are getting this sign or this sign. If you are getting this sign, then in that.
Equal to sign is not there, either greater than or less than.
So it means that at 250 it is not defined. They are excluding 250. You don't need to consider if equality sign is not there.
So totally out of 30 data, we have to count only 29 data.
Yeah, that I know. I don't know about your computational thinking course, but yeah, as for my knowledge, I can say if equality sign is not there, then it means that they are not including 250.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
For the qualifier exam, for first 4 weeks be there, and the questions from the activity, practice, and graded assignment can we expect the same kind of question, or else it could be more tricky, or else same question could be repeated, the important question or kind of thing.
Same question will not going to repeat. That's true because it's a IIT exam, right? There is a possibility. See, the exam is kind of standard of exam is settled. Like some of the question will be easy because we also want to like most of the student will clear the exam, right? We also want that kind of thing. So the question will be, the standard of the question will be like that. There will be around 60% question will be easy. Okay, 10 to 20 question will be moderate, and only 10% question will be tough just for deciding who is the first or who is the second.
That 10% also would be in the same pattern, or else the pattern itself.
No, that 10% question will come, like it will be a bit tricky.
Oh, we supposed to understand the theory and everything, then only
Exactly. For easy
Or
part
else it will
also, for easy part also you need to understand the theory, but you can predict the question. If you have seen, if you have gone through with the previous year question paper, you can predict the question, what kind of question they are usually asking.
Tricky like woman tigers.
You can say like that.
Sir,
Okay, this is one
any
of the
previous question paper
screenshot.
available, previous questions and answers of previous syllabus.
Yes,
people have given
that are available, but you will find that question once your qualifier exam will be near, like just 1 week before the exam. That kind of thing. You will get to know about that one.
Sir, I had also
Okay.
sent in screenshot of my doubt.
This one, right? I have opened, Sumit.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
Able
it's
to
not.
see?
I had sent recently.
Sir,
You
I
have sent
haven't
this.
understood the previous one too. It is
Previous
less
one?
than 10,000. Means we can take the number
I
up
haven't explained the question. He just asked me why 10,000 is there. That's what I have given the answer. I just given why 10,000 is here. That's it.
So I
I
haven't
didn't solve this
understood yet.
question. I didn't solve this question. What this question is saying? Which of the following set comprehension define the squares of first 100 natural numbers? First 100 natural number, it means what? Up to 0, 1, 2, up to 99 is there, right?
Right, sir.
Yes.
Right. So which one will be the correct answer? What I need? I need to define n square such that n incoming from n, which is.
Are you writing something? Are you writing something? Screen visible?
Is it visible? No.
No.
No, sir.
Now?
No, G. It's now visible, G.
Now visible.
What I am saying. What it is saying, which of the following set comprehension define squares of the first 100 natural numbers? So what are the first 100 natural number that we have? 0, 1,
0 to
99. Right. So for defining the squares of first natural number, what we can write? We need n square such that n is coming from n, and this n should be less than or equal to 99, right? That's what I need.
Right.
Right.
Gotcha.
Or we can say this n is strictly less than 100, because we are not including 100.
Right, sir. Right.
And we are taking only this one. So which one is correct? Only second one. All are incorrect.
Sir, but
but it is third one also right, G.
Yes,
third
sir.
one also right.
Okay. Let me see. Third is a bit tricky.
Because it is n square not there.
Yeah. It is saying I am taking n such that n is coming from n and its square root is also coming from n. It means what? This square root is also inside n. It means that up to 10,000 I am taking only those number, those k who are perfect square. Then only if k is perfect, if something is perfect square, suppose I am getting something like k square, then only I can define root k which is inside n, right?
Right, sir.
Right. It means that up to this 10,000 I am taking only perfect square. Right. This one also will be the correct answer, because here this root n is also inside n. Understood why it's correct?
Understood, sir.
No, G, it is root to n. It belongs to n means what? 10,000. And if it is a square, so it is showing root n.
Okay. What I am saying. Suppose I am taking 2 inside this set. Okay, I am taking 2 inside this set. So if 2 is inside this set, it means that root 2 has to be inside n. Right? But root 2 is not inside n, so I cannot take root 2. So what I can take? I can take 1, because root 1 is 1. So I can take 1. Then I have to take 4, because root 4 is what? 2 only.
2.
So what kind of element I am taking? I am taking only n square kind of element, right?
Yes.
Right. So this is what it is. Same thing. Both things are same.
Okay.
Okay.
The condition it's itself it is square, so that below 100 it is square. It is a very only a number 1, 2, 3, so it is below 10,000.
Exactly.
Correct.
Here,
correct.
because
Okay.
I am including this root n.
Okay, root I am taking here, square you are taking, so it is
Yes.
showing 10,000.
Yes,
Okay.
because this root n is inside this capital N or natural
Hmm.
number. It means what? These number, this n will have to be perfect square. If it is had to be perfect here, so this is what? This is 100 square only, na? This will always be reduces by this the second definition. This n square, n belongs to n, which is the option number B. It will always automatically be like what to say. Okay, it will automatically reform in this definition if you will include this one as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, please see my doubt.
So, sir,
What's
sir,
your
that
name?
means
Deepak Singh.
when we put 100 in the under root, then we get 10,000, right, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Is this
Understood.
visible?
No, Ji, you're not visible.
This is visible.
Yes, now visible.
A company provide. What is the doubt here?
Sir, C.
If the company will from where you are getting this question?
Sir, week 2 tutorial 10.
Week 2 you are not discussing. No?
Week 2 we are not discussing. We will discuss in like Friday's session or Sunday session, because week 2 is not started yet. Now only content is released.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if TA session will be there, like most probably Thursday, there will be some TA session for week 2. So once week 2 will start, we will discuss.
Sir, I have
Ji, in
already
this
sent
TA
two more
session,
doubts.
Ji, in
Yes.
the TA session, every week you are conducting. So how many syllabus we can cover it up to so that we can able to understand the TA session? I mean the theory session you are conducting, right? So every week 2 session you are conducting. Whether you are taking, if it is off of 12 session, are there 6 has to be complete. The lecture 6 has to be complete, and then next 6 has to be complete. How can we go through that? Or
The
else
thing is,
just blindly we can come for the session.
no, the thing is, what is your first duty? First duty is once the content release, you have to watch the content videos. Once you watch the content videos, go through with the questions. Simultaneously, you have to go through the questions. Okay. Basically, this kind of live session is for your doubt clearing session. But the thing is, most of the person are not coming after watching the videos. They are directly blindly just coming to the class and they want to explain each and everything. That is why rather than taking a doubt session, we have to take as a summary session. And it's not like a summary session, it is a proper session. It will become a proper session. So in that session, basically, we will explain each and everything, whatever inside the lecture. Okay. But the thing is,
same live session also previously can be done, no? So we could go through that session as well for our clarity.
Yeah. Yes, but
right?
the thing is, the thing is, content video is released just 1 week before your submission. But this kind of session will be happening. It's just like you have a deadline for tomorrow, and now this session is happening today. So you will not have that much time. So it's better if you will watch content videos first and then come into this session. What happens is some of the person will not watch this kind of live session as well, and they will directly come into the doubt class. That is why this kind of session will be that much lengthy. Otherwise, if everyone will watch the every video, this kind of this session will always it will become a short session then.
Okay.
This kind of doubt will not happen. Will not coming.
You are said correctly, sir. Actually, many of people, they don't watch the lecture, and as well as they don't even attempt the activity question, and after coming here,
Exactly. They directly. Yes, they directly come into the class and they want me to explain each and everything. But it's really difficult for me. Like this. See, this session is already up to 11:17. I have to complete this session by 10 p.m. But it's really difficult. What we can.
Okay, understand.
It's fine.
But in the theory, In the
I would
theory
appreciate.
section, just they are dictating whatever the theory content, just is dictating. So we couldn't able to understand the theory, and if you're going to activity question, you totally confused how to solve that questions, how to at least which are all you are in this live session. You are saying this and all very important, and this and all very important formulae. So you're supposed to by heart it. Over there, full of theory. So if you're completing theory, you're gonna understand in theory how to finalize
That's why
finish
this
that.
kind of instructor and TA session is happening. This is the reason why this kind of session is happening.
So better we could complete this live and go for the activity question.
Yes, that also you can do.
Yes.
That also you can do. But at least try once from your side.
I'll try.
Try once from your side and come. Okay. But yeah, before coming into the class, just watch the content video at least. At least that thing we can expect from your side. Yes.
No doubts left, sir.
So at least for
thank you,
doubts,
sir.
I would appreciate, but the asking time and again about the orientation and all this thing is taking more time compared to each and every
Exactly.
session.
Everything is there in YouTube channel. No? They will just go and then see.
Time and again, I could see every session they are asking about deadline. They are talking about the same stuff, which is there.
Exactly,
like,
exactly. But what we
irritating.
can do, we have to explain. This is our duty.
And
This is
there
our
was someone,
responsibility.
there was someone in the day before yesterday who was asking the instructor for singing and talking about cricket match and all the things. That's highly irritating. I don't know why these people, they're just for time pass, they came or something.
Yeah. Okay,
We
let's
agree,
finish
sir.
this 2 question and then we'll close the session. Okay, what is the doubt here? This question I have explained in yesterday's class. Okay. I have explained this question from scratch. Each and everything I have explained from this question.
So it's all
Okay,
will be helpful for a Venn diagram. Just map the Venn diagram and just finish it.
No, but here we don't have the detail about
Sir has said
the
that
both.
200 minus 150 is equal to 50 answer.
Exactly.
That's it.
But
Same
we
thing
don't
is
have
there.
the intersection.
You don't need intersection in that case. This is your television. This is your radio. Correct? What are the things that you have? You have
200 clients.
T union R. Number of T in is 200. It means the whole thing which are inside this is 200, right?
But
Correct?
sir, there both is also mentioned television or radio.
What do you mean by both? Okay. If you are doing T union R, right? So it will automatically contain T intersection R, no? This will always be inside R. Suppose you have 1, 2, 3. Another set, this is your A.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, right.
So whenever you will do A union B, what you will get?
It
1, 2,
will
3.
automatically be in that.
Exactly. So what you need to do here?
Simple 200 minus 150. Understood, sir. Only that
Right?
was my doubt. Yes, sir. Thank you.
See, can we mark it in the formula? Can you how to use in this formula?
Same thing.
N of
just
formula, just N of
just a minute.
Yeah, sir, if you Google search set formulas, there are a few formulas they are showing in Google page.
No, that I know formula, but how to implement the formula here?
Here you don't need to implement the formula. Just see the Venn diagram here. What you need to find? Only radio, right? Only radio. Only radio, it means what? You need to find this one.
Yes,
correct?
that is what I'm
Because
asking. Yes.
You don't need this one. This is
200
what?
minus 150.
Plus, if you will do R intersection T, then what you will get? This is the formula. But
Only
in that
R,
case, you can, in that case, you cannot apply the formula because you don't know about this.
Okay, Jay.
Okay. So you need to see by the Venn diagram only. Okay.
Okay.
And also you don't know about this as well.
Yeah, that also I don't know.
You cannot apply this. Okay.
So what about our first week graded assignment result?
Graded assignment, once you submit the question, you will directly get the result.
So I've submitted it on 7th or 8th.
No, it will show. It will show after the deadline. Tomorrow is the deadline.
Yes.
Tomorrow till 11:59. It was the deadline. After that, you can see.
11:59 or tomorrow 11:59?
Tomorrow
Yes.
11:59.
Tomorrow
Night,
11.
midnight.
Yeah, I have it also.
12th Wednesday 23:59, and for the result you get after 48 hours only.
Round of 13, right?
Just wait till Friday. Till Friday, on Friday, just check for the result. You will get it definitely.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Jay,
Once
one
you
question, Jay.
Yes.
So irrational means actually it should be terminating also the repeated the fractional it will be repeating. I mean 2.66666 like that.
Yeah,
so it
either
is
it will
irrational. Yeah, it
either it
irrational
will be
in the
terminate.
sense. Okay. Other in the irrational sense, it's not terminating, and the repeated value also not there. It would be a different 2.892356
Yeah,
like that.
random, some
Am I
random,
right?
some random kind of thing. Yes, you are
Random.
right.
So if it is like a 6 or 2.666,
So
absolutely
it's
it is a
irrational.
rational number. It is not a
Yes, because
irrational.
repetition is there. Yes. Even
Okay,
you
Jay.
can say if you have this kind of thing. If you have 2.565566 this kind of thing, see the repetition pattern.
It's also
This is also a rational number.
Rational.
Yes.
Okay. So we can write it this one as a P by Q. Q
Yeah,
is not
we
0,
can.
is it?
Yes, we can. Yes. There are some ways from where you can find in this as a form of P by Q. Okay. There are some ways. You just search on Google. You can find.
Sir, root over
fifth or
something
sixth
by
class
root
content.
divided by root over something. Is it going to be a rational number also? Like root
can
over
be.
6.
It can be.
6 divided by root over 8, something like that.
Yeah, Jay, I
this
have
one
same
will
question.
not be. This will not be the irrational. But yeah, some of the thing like you can
No,
say
this
what
is
you can
rational
say.
or irrational?
So this is irrational, right?
This is irrational.
This is
irrational.
Okay.
This is irrational.
This
But
is
if you have this one, this is what we have discussed. This one, right? 3 root 3 and 4 root 3.
if it is
This will be
coming
cancelled
root 3 cancelling, so it is coming rational.
Okay.
So we try to figure out the same the root denominator and numerator as well.
Yeah. If you are if something is mathematically correct, and if you are doing that kind of manipulation on you are getting this PYQ form, then you can say, yeah, this is a rational number.
And sir, what about two half, sir?
2 half? What is 2 half?
I mean,
No,
square,
2 to the power of half is
2 to the power of half.
2 to the power of half.
This is not rational, no? This is root 2. Root 2 is irrational. You cannot write it PYQ form.
Half is considered as a root over, right?
The decimal
Yes,
points
yes.
go to the infinite value. We don't know the value.
Okay, even 1 by 2, sir. Instead of 1 by 2, 1 by 3 also.
Everything
only.
It is rational.
1 by
it is
2 only.
rational.
No, 2 to the power is asking.
2 to the power of 3.
Yes.
1 by
1
4.
by 4. Yes.
So it is all irrational, right?
Yes. All irrational.
So I have a query.
Yes.
So there is a question in the maths digit assignment, and there are number of Bengal tigers and there are some numbers of white Bengal tigers. So they are asking the white number of female white tigers something. So
Sir, that is a graded assignment question.
Actually, it is a clarifying question. She's asking clarifying what is the not answering now.
That question is too much tricky.
Yes. So firstly, just calm down and think 2 to 3 times. You will definitely get. It's not that much difficult. Or rather, or you can take help with your friend. I am not have authority for discussing this kind of graded assignment. This is the thing. Otherwise, I don't have anything I can directly discuss with because
Sir,
I have already
same
solved
question, sir. You have just discussed the same way it has to be solved, sir. The set you can draw a diagram of two
No,
sets.
I can't because that question from graded assignment. If it is from a
Not
practice or something,
exactly.
I can discuss.
Okay,
Even
exactly.
it will be from practice, I can discuss. But it is from graded assignment. Yeah,
Okay,
If you need some information, I will definitely give after the submission. Don't worry. I will definitely solve that question. But
Okay.
up to that, I don't have authority for solving this.
Sir, only tip I can give is kindly watch the previous videos. Maybe you can get a clue.
Yeah, maybe.
Sir, I have a discuss about this question after Friday, no?
I said, please go through the previous videos. You will get to know.
Even you will get the solution of the graded assignment. Don't worry. Once you got the solution, you don't need to discuss. I don't need to discuss that question. You will definitely understand. There is a small trick in that question. Just a small trick. Nothing. Okay, it's already getting late. I have to close the session. Otherwise, they will say what kind of session you are taking. You are always your session is
Thank you,
always
sir. It
around
was a
4
nice
hours,
session,
3
sir.
hours.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you are very patient and very helpful, Ji. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Please
That's good.
Thank you very much.
We have to have dinner.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Okay, good night, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes, you are.
Sir, the meeting time is mentioned in the calendar is 2:30 to 4:30. But what is the regular timing of this meeting, sir?
Change your calendar. Change your time. Change your time.
Change your time zone.
To change your time zone, yes.
I do not understand.
It is just change your time zone by Indian Standard Time.
Oh.
So the meeting will be fixed in the calendar
Yes.
for 3
Yes.
months, or else, I mean, it will be changing for every week.
See, there is a possibility. See, if instructor are busy, then the possibility is the meeting time will change. Okay.
Few
Sir,
meeting I
are you
couldn't
going to
able
take
to log in.
Sir, are you going to take tomorrow's session, sir, from 3 to 5, sir?
No.
Sorry, 4 to
No.
5?
No. TA session, it's a TA session, not in.
Sir, regarding the calendar, till the almost for the entire semester, they have updated it. That I could see. Maybe I don't know whether
Yes.
Is there any modification?
No.
I mean, as he mentioned, if there are
Most of the
modifications,
time. The thing is, sometimes what happens is every instructor are busy. There is a possibility.
When is your next session?
We are heading towards
Friday morning,
tonight.
7 o'clock.
We are heading towards tonight. I think sir has to go.
Yes.
One more request. Kindly
Thank you, sir.
avoid this
It
time
was a nice
overlap of the
session, sir.
session.
Have a good night,
Okay.
sir.
Good night.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Okay. Who was asking something?
Okay.
No questions, sir. No questions.
No, I
Have a good
just
session.
want to let you know.
Sir, I
Kindly
have
avoid the time overlap if possible, sir.
Sorry?
The session time overlaps are happening. Could you please help with that part? Because I see there are two sessions. Sometimes the session overlaps. For example, maths and stats, or maths and English, or
Yeah, that also there, Ji. So overlapping
See,
time
what
also
happens
overlapping.
is this kind of thing happens now. See, this session time duration is just for 2 hours. It is happening for 4 hours. If this kind of thing is happening on, say, stat 1, same thing will be there. So
I'm
we
talking
can't
about the calendar. On the calendar itself, there are some overlapping time.
we cannot do anything about it because see, every session is recording, so you can watch that one. The thing is, there are some people who are working professional. So we cannot schedule this kind of session, especially for instructor session. We cannot schedule in the morning time or in the afternoon time. We have to schedule it by 9 or very early in the morning, like 7 to 9. For working professional, we have to think about it, right?
Sure, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
TA
yes.
session we can do. TA session we can do.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir.
Right. Good night, sir.
Good night.
See, TA session is for only teaching. You are teaching, or open session means what? What is the difference?
Open session means you can ask your doubt from entire week. Okay.
Okay.
Summary session, it means we will explain. Okay. The doubt clearing session or open session means you will ask doubt, we will explain. Here we will explain by ourselves only.
Okay, Ji. This is a TA session, right? You are explaining that is TA
yeah.
session.
For TA session is TA is basically your seniors. They will explain you what are the things are there. Most probably they will do some question solving. If you have some doubt clearing session, the doubt, then you can ask there itself. This is random doubt like, sir, I am not getting PDF from where I can get. This kind of doubt basically is ask, like you can ask in TA session only. They will know better than me because they are student. I am not. Simple.
Okay, Ji.
They
Thanks,
have
Ji.
faced all the problem, whatever you are facing currently. I have
Yes,
just
Ji.
material. I just joined the session and I am explaining. This is what it is. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Ji. Thanks a lot.
Good day.